Anywho, now that we've spent 40 minutes drawing John Waters eating a chicken, let us do some game dev, shall we? Totally would not recommend it. Yeah. I haven't seen it myself, but I agree entirely knowing what's in it. A decent amount of gross and gore, but emotional stuff gets to me. Yeah. Anyway, chat, speaking of fucked up movies, Starlight and I, sorry, I keep pulling you into the conversation, Starlight, whatever. We watched The Killing of a Sacred Deer last night, and that is a solid movie. I thought, at least, I don't know. I liked it. Not a perfect film, but certainly one worth watching if you're looking for, like, a disturbing horror movie that has some connective tissue to, like, I guess real life fears. Who the fuck doesn't think I'm a gremlin? I don't know. My chat might just be like, oh, well, that's just Goon's fiance. She's probably chill. What was the second? Oh, yeah, I see. Second most fucked up movie. I don't even know what the most fucked up movie I've seen is. I know you're not asking me, but... Nor do I know my second most. Hereditary's pretty fucked up. But it's probably not Hereditary. 7th for Serbian, but damn! You are into the hard shit. I'm kind of, you know what, I realize more and more as time goes on that I'm a little bit like Possum in terms of like you can throw as much gore at me as you want. I'm probably not going to get like disgusted in any way. Like, ever since I saw Dead Alive, I don't think that like, that's not even like the grossest movie, but that kind of just like put me over the threshold where I'm like, okay, well, whatever. You're making a movie, you could throw the whatever gore you want at me, I don't care. But like, again, Killing of a Sacred Deer is a great example, because there's no gore in that movie, but it's fucking disturbing as fuck. No, I'm marrying a Twitch streamer, I'm not okay. Same, thanks. Twitch streamer. This is what I do for work, chat. I don't know. I guess I'm on Twitch streaming. What's some other good ones? I don't know. Actually, you know what's a really good intersection of both of these things I'm talking about? And I'll be honest, I got a little emotional the last time I watched this. Oh yeah, I mentioned this on stream. The remake of The Fly, I must say the John Carpenter one, sorry. The, not Werner Herzog, oh my god. Toronto's favorite son. Cronenberg, David Cronenberg, there we go. The David Cronenberg version of The Fly. Like, that movie has a lot of gross out stuff in it, which is, like, really good effects, in my opinion. But it also has, like, a really, like, sad dynamic overall going on in it. Like, the movie's pretty depressing. It's very good, though. I want to watch more Cronenberg stuff. At this point, I've only seen The Fly, Crimes of the Future, and Videodrome. I have a copy of Scanners right over there. No, wait, no, I don't. That's Videodrome. Never mind. I want to watch Scanners because it has that head explosion that everybody, well, that 20 years ago people used constantly on the internet. Squirmfest. Interesting. The saddest movie I've seen is The Room. Excellent. You know what else is like I don't know, it's hard to say that this movie is like sad. It's a comedy. And it's also a very goofy movie in general, but there are undercurrents of what it's trying to say that personally make me rather sad. But Sorry to Bother You, if anyone's familiar with that movie. Yeah, but it's entirely a comedy. That movie is hilarious. I love that movie, but it's also just like Goofy movie. Yeah, that one's great. Goofy movie made me sad when I was a kid. What's up, girl chat? Chat, I've shared this story 69,000 times on my channel, but I'm gonna share it again. I have gaslit myself. I mean, I know better now because I have thoroughly gaslit myself enough times and made myself embarrassed in public settings on this. But I used to think, so there's that one scene in a Goofy movie where Max's friend is like making a bunch of different things out of like a can of cheese. Like he makes the Eiffel Tower and he has like a bunch of cheese puns. In my head, I think that there's like one of the permutations that he does that is just like a crucifix with Jesus on it, and he calls it Jesus Christ. Leaning Tower, yeah, Leaning Tower of Cheese. My rats are wrestling. Well, I hope they're having fun. Hope it's a good, clean fight. Chad, I don't know what the heck I'm doing on my game tonight. We drew a picture of John Waters, and now we're here. I'm glad my stream didn't crash in GIMP. It just stopped, like, GIMP just stopped working. Jesus Christ. Cheese Christ. What do we need to do? I'm gonna go to my, I have a what's that, Jira board? Trello board. Hell, I'll give you guys the privilege of seeing what I'm looking at for once. Yeah, we still have this one. This is still in progress. Have the character look at stuff. FMV player, we could fuck with that. New enemy AI, I could chip away at that. Oh, you know what? Actually, having a death loop would be a good idea. Because we don't, like, right now, the player just disappears when they die. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. That should be relatively simple. I'm so unfocused tonight. But can at least lock in for that, I bet. We do have a method called, like, handle player death. Martyrs. Interesting. Handle death, look at that. Boom. If health is greater than 0, yeah! Ta-da! Tetsuo. Aw, man. What the fuck was that movie? My one friend showed me, I think it was a Korean movie. I don't remember the frickin' name of it, though. What is that? I've lost the thread in my chat here. Oh, the rats. They're very susceptible to try climb inside a pillowcase while the pillow is in it, and then they get stuck. Oh no! Poor dumb little babies. Sorry, I didn't mean to insult your rats. Laugh your ass off with Tetsuo. It's a must-see. Hold on, I'm adding it. It might be one that Starlight and I watch. Tetsuo the Iron Man. Hey, that came out the year I was born. Just aged myself, chat. Oh god, I hope none of these ads start playing. Dude, why am I still on Chrome? Fuck these assholes. Fuck you, Chrome, and your disabling ad block. Bunch of pricks. I don't know why I should be shocked at this, but it is still shocking that Google removed Pride Month from the fucking Google Calendar. It's not like there's some upstanding corporation or anything like that. There's an oxymoron for you. Fuck, Goon's younger than me? Ha! No, they are dumb but very cute. Fair. I feel like that's a lot of pets. Very cute, very dumb. I just don't want to shit talk other people's pets, that's all. It does look interesting. It's on my, oh wait, no, hold on. Alright, I'll go in a real browser that actually lets you block ads that, you know, fucking break the internet. Just... God damn. Honestly, there is like no reason for me to not just always use Brave. It's gonna be the same experience more or less. It's probably not any better with RAM management, but still. I do use Firefox for the record, but I, like, again, because of, like, my personal login and Goon, I try to, like, keep things separated. Jesus, did they? God damn, don't insult Google, there'll be consequences. I will. Fuck them. I mean, fuck Twitch, too. Who cares? Opera GX, like, really good. I've heard... I don't know. Maybe. I worked with a guy that used Opera like crazy. In fact, he's in here every now and then, but... I'm not calling him out, though. I've had many people recommend it to me, I guess is my point. I've never tried it either. I'm gonna make my own browser, screw all this. I know how to parse a fucking TCP packet, we're good. Stuck with Chrome due to work. Yeah, it sucks. This also tracks. I have so many browsers installed on my computer because of, well, not current work, but past work. Okay, so we already have a thing to do this. Oh god, that's so jank. Okay, you know what? Screw this. We should have like a close all menus command, and that could be in the same class, but I want to like isolate this. Make Goon OS. I'd love to. Dude, you know what? Actually, no. I basically did fail my operating systems class. I am not the guy to make an operating system. Sorry, chat. I got a D in operating systems once, and because it was a core required class for my computer science degree, I had to take it again. But I also, for whatever reason, decided to take a class, like take 1 4-hour class a week for that class. And then I also worked right after it, and it was at night, so like I got out at like 8 p.m, then I went to work, and then I like got home at like midnight. It's just like, ugh. Back when I was a dishwasher. Anyone remember the fucking Xbox Live Arcade game, The Dishwasher? Made by Ska Studios. I'm pretty sure those people are still making stuff. I want to say those people made Salt and Sanctuary, but I'm not sure. It might just look like similar art style or something. Actually, let's solve this. Hold on. They're called Ska Studios, so Salt and Sanctuary was a fun ass game. Hey, it's on sale right now. Oh shit, the sequel's on sale too. I might buy that. I haven't played the sequel. Yeah, Ska Studios, it is them. They made some good ass games. Anyone remember Xbox Live? Me neither. Damn. XBLA was kind of magical. As shit as the 360 was from a hardware perspective, Microsoft did some insanely smart things in setting up the Xbox Live Arcade. Like the arcade Summer of Indie or whatever the fuck they did that one time. It's pretty fun. Some primo fucking gaming right there, chat. Well, I guess this is relatively doing the same things. Kept getting the 1-month gold trial, hell yeah. I think I just paid on and off for it, like whenever I was playing something online. Which was a lot back in the day. I played so much Gears of War, I don't even like... To be fair, I did like it when it was out. I kind of hate Gears of War nowadays. I don't know, man. I only played the first 3, though. Maybe it gets better. Probably not, though. I'm a hater, though. Close all, open UI. And you know what? For now, we'll actually just, like, put the existing code in there. I think that's fine. Because I'm going to need to use this in other places later, but for now we'll just do this. Hop has the sniper and gear. It was very fun. Or getting someone with the bolt gun, like, felt so good. Horribly imbalanced, but neither here nor there. That's, you know, whatever. I mean, I've said this many times. I don't need a multiplayer game to be balanced. I just need it to, like, be set up in a way where, like, the balance exploits aren't annoying. I think a good counter example of that, like Gears of War is actually a pretty good example of like, okay, it wasn't like competitive because it was like stupidly balanced, but a good counter example is Resident Evil Resistance. I will go to bat for that game to some degree, but the fucking the OP strats for, well, survivors are like way overpowered, and if you know how to play survivor, like if you have a full team of 4 people that know how to play survivor, they're going to fucking stomp the mastermind every time. You won't get past like the first area. But also there's a lot of OP strats, especially as Oswald Spencer, that you can just fucking like wipe an entire team in like no time. I can't believe I got all the fucking achievements in that game. My proudest moment in that, and I wish I was streaming it when I did it. There's one achievement here. I'm gonna read it out loud. This is gonna mean nothing to like everybody, but still, the one person that's played this game. Yeah, this isn't even the last achievement I got. This is the second to last achievement I got. It's called Time's Up, Let's Do This. As Spencer, run out the clock and win a match while your disintegration field is active. So while the timer runs out, and this includes overtime, you can't do it before I did it once with overtime popped, or before overtime popped, and it didn't count. You have to like actually finish the match and have your ult active. That's beyond fucked. Luckily, I got it. The team I was playing as wasn't the greatest, but they didn't lie down either. It was the last area. I'm also not the greatest at that game. While jumping, perfect reloading, also true. That perfect reload shotgun shell. Maybe that might have been Gears of War 2, but I want to say like one of those, the basic shotgun could like one-shot an enemy if you like headshotted them and had the special bullet from the reload, the active reload. Active reload's also a really good system. Like, I don't want to just blindly shit on the franchise. It did bring some cool stuff to the table in terms of like over-the-shoulder shooting. I mean, it also ruined a lot of video games because, oh, this game, it's just, this shit just keeps happening over and over in video games, man. Like, you have games like Rascal and Bubsy. Well, actually, Bubsy 3D, I don't think was the case with this, but a lot of PS1 games put in tank controls and like weird camera stuff, specifically because the popularity of both Tomb Raider and Resident Evil back then. So like, oh no, it's got to have tank controls. Like, just here's a mandate from the publisher or upper management or whatever. Alright, you know what? It's time to... Oh, never mind. It's not time to Random question. What's up? Did I re-comment that? Shit. Oh no, it's right here. Yeah, I did though. You ever gotten lost while driving somewhere? Yes. Kind of. I was driving back to college. Oh yeah, we definitely don't need this stuff anymore. The animation tree will handle all of the weights and stuff in terms of equipment. Oh yeah, I've also taken like wrong turns and stuff while driving. But I think the most lost I've ever been while driving is I was driving back to college, a several-hour drive, and I had to use the restroom. I'm like, okay, I'm out in the middle of like nowhere in the country. And I saw like a exit sign like, okay, there's a gas station or whatever. But that was like the only thing at the exit. And I'm like, okay, I'll go get that. It's also night, by the way, middle of the night. I went the wrong way at the exit, so I didn't go, like, it didn't have a sign pointing like, oh, it's this way or whatever. So now I'm just driving, and this is before, well, it's not before smartphones, but it's before you use smartphones for like a map. I did have no, actually, I don't know if I had a GPS or not. Probably did. I feel like I got a GPS device shortly after getting a car. Anyway. So I'm driving, I'm like, where the hell is this gas station? I'm like, ah, shit, I probably went the wrong way. It's a narrow-ass road in the middle of the country. Not really any good places to turn around. I probably could have, like, veered off in someone's property, but, like, you know, to make a U-turn or a K-turn or something. But I'm like, well, I'll get to the next intersection, and then, like, if it's not there, I'll, like, turn around or something. So I get there, I make a turn, and I keep going, I just see more farmland, and I'm like, fuck, man, where the fuck am I? And, again, country, so, like, no street lights, like, it's dark as fuck, just my headlights, nothing else. GPS on phone is silly. I'm an old man, girl Chan. Anyway. Now, fuck, we missed the exit now. I don't think I've told Possum this story. Anyway, it's a non-story ultimately. I'm telling it like I like experienced a ghost story or something. But whatever. Anyway, I am like looking for like anything other than just like people's houses, or there's really like farms more than anything. And I'm like, okay, I see like no sign of civilization. I should get back to the highway because I can't find this gas station. And I don't remember, I did not turn around. I guess maybe I hit enough intersections that I was able to like make a circle or a square rather. And then, oh yeah, this is already handled. Hell yeah. We don't even need to do animation stuff in the equip weapon because that already works. This is the one we need to do animation stuff in. Although if I go look at the usage of this, I bet the player calls something here. What? Oh, oops. Oh, I do that in several places. Oh, the weapon calls it. What the heck? Oh. Oh, okay, so this calls back to the player. But we're doing a get node, which is not awesome. Huh. Slender Man appeared in the fields, but he seemed chill. Holy shit. I'm the it says left when she means right type. Fucked up agent of chaos and mayhem. Offered him a ride, but he declined and you went on your way. Yeah. No, but I'm like, I'm making my way back to like what I hope is the freeway or a freeway entrance. And out of fucking nowhere, this was like a peripheral vision thing. It was like off to the side of the road as I go to a four-way intersection that has a stop sign. I thought I saw something, and in my brain, my brain made it the image of a person in a hockey mask, and I'm fucking terrified. Like I wasn't even like that uneasy, but like that just like snapped me into like fight or flight mode, and I fucking like gunned it through that intersection. And I look back, it's a fucking like warning sign. like caution, you know, it wasn't deer, I forget what it said, but oh man. Anyway, surprisingly did not piss myself, even though I did have to use the bathroom. At that point, like, I was just like, off. I was like in dread of like, fuck, I went the wrong way. Now I'm like stuck in the middle of I don't know where. Anyway, that's my incredibly drawn out story for this time that nothing happened while I was driving. So if you're gonna fender bender to piss yourself and you'll get paid. That seems like a scam, personally. You know what? Let's make an empty, God Audio Manager. We'll just make an empty method in here that does nothing. Because this is how we'll invoke it ultimately. Why did it open? Oh. Chat, I know what the problem is. The problem is you need to get high to be productive. It's not true at all, but I'm doing it. Yep. No, it is true. least for me. I get by well enough on a normal 8-hour day. Without weed, for the record. In case any of my coworkers are watching this. Well, that makes it sound like I'm making a cover. Fucking hell. Whatever. Where's all my, like, play this sound effect? There it is. Oh, I don't even need to do that. They're dosing too, it's fine. Take your word for it. Alright, and we'll just do that whenever it's actually implemented. What I like to do here. Tell people that don't smoke or drink the really weird ones. Well, tis what they say. Okay, but now we also need to go back to the player. Wait, doesn't your player phase out of existence when you die in this game? Well, I'm testing this. No offense, any straight up picture. Yeah. Oh, never mind. That's not gonna work. These two things don't exist. Here we go. Yeah, I know we got. I mean, I don't know if any of them are here, but I know we got at least a few. Oh, I should have hit from scene. Dang it. Whatever. Fuck it. All right, eat me alive. The hell? Skip it. Did I break the skip button? Hold on a second. No, I'm pressing the wrong button. That's what's wrong. For a second, I thought no clip was breaking it. This Kirby, this has got to be Kirby music, right? We also can't see our health at all, so I'm just gonna have to like. Okay, we got hit there because I froze in place. That is cool that the freeze in place logic still works. Okay, so now I don't move. Yeah, player died. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. I could make a method that's like, is player dead, but I mean, whatever. It's just more method calls for no reason. Yeah, why am I even calling a method here? Because this just works off of health, yeah. Healthy. Oh, wait, no. Alright. I'm guessing that something calls this somewhere. Huh? Hit player. Protected. Attack player. Protected. To do implement. The fuck is happening? Oh, this is an enemy. Okay, yeah. Oh, right. Okay, here we go. So that is coming in through the enemy, it's calling that, and then, oops, a daisy. And that processes this. This is kind of like a lot of methods to like get to a very basic end here. But whatever. I guess I should probably move the ticket, huh? Me, I'm working on it. Holy moly. Trigger an animation on the player or what killed them to indicate that that's what we're doing currently. Placeholder models, this can be an animation flag. Yay, I even set my own requirements correctly. Yippee! Hell, I'll read it online, or I'll put it on screen here. Long term, the enemy should have a unique animation for the player. Oh, yeah. Logic or the implementation should exist largely inside the player CS class. Oh, this is just like an implementation detail. I feel like this is even outdated because I kind of have, yeah, no, we have the player animation manager now, so. Game over should be created for announcing the player's death. Or scene, yeah, okay. Confirm that the game state is properly reset. Oh, yeah. Retry, load, save. That's something for the future. All right, we can get through the rest of this tonight, though, for sure. All right. Let's get to it. No, we're already halfway there. I need to go into my constants file. Pardon me. Handle death. Dude, the music is very quiet suddenly. Now it's not. Thank you, OBS. Please open on that window. That's great. Alright, we're good. I didn't even mean to click OBS there, to be honest, but whatever. Okay, that's all good. Okay, so we shouldn't have a timer for this. What we should do instead is call something to the player and have the player call back here when it's done showing the death animation. Slight problem with that. No, this will work. This is fine. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say, I'm thinking of like, I want some like effect to play on screen, and I'm like, where should that be managed? And I think that that's just gonna be in the player class, probably. Just need to make some scenes here. And oh my god, I can't. Ugh. Eepy. One of these days, this is totally gonna happen. I'm gonna completely go revamp all of the, everywhere I do git node, and then just fix it so that I don't constantly use this everywhere, because this cannot be efficient. I refuse to believe it. Maybe I'm just Unity brained and I know that find in scene is not a good thing to use in Unity, but I feel like it's gotta be similar. There's like no way that they could have made something that like, I mean, maybe it functions better, but like it's gotta be like a bad practice for pulling in references to things. I imagine. I don't know. I guess maybe I should just fucking read their manual and see the recommendation, because maybe this is totally fine. They have it like fully optimized or whatever. Just logistically, it's like you're looking through so many objects that it feels like it's though with the path structure, it does kind of make sense, because you're kind of like pointing at like, no, it's right here. Here's the path. Okay, yeah, hold on. Godot get node performance versus find object in scene. For navigating the scan tree. So get self takes, wait, it takes a second? This can't be right. What? Oh, I see. To do the operation 10 million times each. Okay. So you can reference yourself 10 million times in 1 second. You can do get parent 1 million times in 6 seconds. Chat, I don't know what the fuck. The syntax is crazy in GDScript. You can do this as like a shorthand for get parent. It'd be the equivalent of me doing this essentially. Like you can call get parent, or you can do that. Anyway, what the hell is owner? Okay, that's something that exists. Get node. Okay. So get node is 11 times slower than get self, but this is also benchmarked off of... Oh fuck, this is 4 years old. God damn it. This thread is 4 years old, chat room. Also, this is benchmarked off GDScript, which does run differently than C#. The C# GDScript, or sorry, generated code through C#. It's one reason why I'm doing this in C#. The other is, like, I could literally copy-paste my Unity code and just change a couple things to make it work. But anyway, if this is even remotely reflective of how it is now, and it's probably better now, I'm hoping, that's still pretty, like, acceptably fast. I'm probably worrying, I'm over-optimizing over nothing. Good call, Static Haze. Anyway, so now in our player class, let's go ahead and... That could even be something for the base class, because, like, having an actor, like, trigger a death animation would be pretty good. And the cool thing is, it could even be detached in a way where it's like, yeah, this is, I was gonna say, like, I think this is an abstract class, right? It sure is. Oh, this references the animation. We don't need it to anymore. So I don't need a flag for whether or not the player's dead, but I do need one to check state and see whether we're like in the process of dying. No, actually, I guess we don't, because we just check if health is 0, and then it's gonna be through a signal, an animation signal. When the animation ends for the death animation, call back and like pipe that back up. So yeah, that would be fine. Move towards position. Yeah. Pardon me. Again. If I make like an abstract, I'm wondering if I should make like an abstract string method, kind of like what I do with the items, where it's just like, okay, well, what is your animation, your death animation, like, variable? I think that might be good. Yeah. That actually should be protected. Dead good. And then the callback to the animation. Oh, that's what we have the animation manager for, right? Okay. We actually have the systems for this already. This is good. This is good, chat. Wrong one. This guy. Yeah, the animation event handler. So again, it's just gonna be something else in here. We'll check the animation's name if it starts with, or well, actually, hell, if it will be like whatever the death animation is, then we'll have something happen. That way, we don't even need to muddy up the rest of the code. Yeah, we don't even need like a specific thing. Cool. All right, chat. Our ducks are getting in a row. Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a quick break, and then we will actually implement this instead of me just looking at my code and figuring out how it works. Anyway, BRB. Get back to business. So, not the audio manager. I need to find my game constants. There it is. I need to go find my animation stuff. Okay. Public const string. String. Die generic. We'll just make something up for now. I don't have an animation to tie it to, and I'm not gonna make one, so... Actually, you know what? Maybe we should make one, because then we'll actually see something happen. So the other thing I'm this is actually making some gears turn here. I forgot that was over. That tab was still open. So if I pull open the player real quick. Wait, not the player. I need the well, I can get to it from here. Where is it? There. You. I go to the animation tree, not the animation, the actual animation tree. So we've got essentially everything going in here. I need another one. Is it blend, probably? Probably blend. Or maybe not even blend. don't know. Maybe this does make sense. I'm gonna do it this way. Hold up. Fuck, I forget which way this, oh god. Let me look at a tutorial real quick. Godot Blend 2. Maybe blend isn't what I'm looking for. I'm trying to see... This is tricky, because it's like, ultimately I need the output to be over here or whatever, but like... Actually, wait. Arms and legs, you guys come over here. I think this might be what I'm looking for here. Oh wait, blend tree? No, 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 not that. Yeah, state machines only have an output. They don't have any like inputs I can feed in. I guess I gotta use blend too, and I'll just call this Death Blender. Anyway, so our output will be the same. Our input, however, will be this blended with another state machine. Yeah. Well, if I have a one-shot... Yeah, no, like, I can't... So the problem is the, like, whatever happens, it, like, has to go into this output. So I need, like... I think, like, one-shot... Alright, maybe I should download the example project that they have here. Let's take the third-person shooter demo from Godot. Hope that wasn't a large demo. I don't think it specifies how big it is. It's still downloading. We dropping frames? We're not. Didn't think we were, but it's, Why does it not show you how big the file is? The fuck? View files. It's not gonna help exactly. Oh, there we go. It's 361 megabytes. Thank you. Sorry, I was just worrying that, like, my, the project files I just downloaded would be tanking my internet. C code examples. Hey, look, there it is. Anyway. Alright, now I need to open that as a Godot project, which I can do. Oh man, I hope this works for this version of Godot, and I don't need to like download another one or something. Fine, don't move over here. See if I care. Import the project. Oh, we were fine all along. Examples. TPS demo project file. Valid project found. This project was at last edited in Godot 4.2. Opening it will change it to 4.3. Open anyway? Sure. Whatever. I just want to see what their animation... Like, I don't know much about animation, chat, so I'm kind of being, like, overly cautious here. Well, maybe we won't actually animate the death animation, because I've had bad luck, like, getting the actual animations to work the way I want them to, but if I can get this stuff set up and, like, fire a... I can have it use, like, any animation, I guess, out of the player. But just treat it as a one-shot instead of a, something else, you know? Hey, in there. Alright. Player. Holy lag. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Stop walking. Quit moving. Hey. Whatever. Alright, let me see your animation tree. Oh, wow, that's a lot of stuff. Anyway. Holy moly. I'm cold, turn on the heat. Nah, just put a jacket on. Gotta wear your layers, Starlight. Gotta eat those cans of beans out in the wild forests, mountains of Canada. Wherever the hell the Long Dark takes place. Oh yeah, I kind of forgot. You can put a timescale in, like, anywhere. A blend space 2D. Huh. Takes place in Texas? Totally. Okay, so then you just have a bunch of animations. But how does it know, like, what to... Oh. Oh. How do I change it? That's gotta be it, though. This transition. Yeah. That's super it. But then it also, okay, on top of everything, it then blends a one-shot. Wait, is that where this is going? Oh, shit. Where does this go? Oh, it's this guy. Hardland. Dude, what on earth? What is this madness? How am I supposed to learn anything? I guess, to be fair, this is a whole example of, like, a completed third-person shooter project. I think blend is what I'm looking for, though. And then, like, you just... If you want to, like, give more to one versus the other, you can go, like, one way or the other here. I don't know which number does which, though. I guess in our... You know what? Maybe... Forget this. Don't save. Alright. Back to our guy here. I don't know why this one shot's in here. Oh, right. No, I wanted to make a state machine. Although maybe a one-shot would actually work there. I understand how these state machines work, but, like... I don't know. Maybe it's better if I just do a one-shot animation. I don't know how to fire them, though. Like, I mean, I guess if I looked at the code in that example project, maybe I'd figure that out, but, also forget how I have the, parameters set up in here. Because something knows that there's, like, all these parameters on it. Because, like, see this checkbox here? These are all the, like, ARM-related animation parameters. There's a one for running. I don't know if it's just the mention of them in, like, these, switch statements, maybe? Yeah, condition and walking. Cool. Oof. Well, I think, at the very least, if I go back to the event handler, I think the animation name that we want to look out for here, it's just going to be anything that starts with, like, death. Because I might need multiple variables for this. On death, animation, finished. And I could even give it which animation it was. I don't know. You know what? I'm just two-stringing this shit. Actually, you know what? Even better. Alright. Back to the player. It's yelling at us because we haven't implemented that one method. Public void on death animation finished. Do implement. Not even sure why I have... Oh, right, I have the, like, that hook for, like, setting an animation flag specifically because... So this is actually going to set a very, like, funny precedent where I can't have the player character die or it will, like, trigger the actual game over screen because of the way I'm wiring this up. But we'll worry about that later. Is this what I do elsewhere? Oh, yeah. Oh, right, it doesn't like that. Oh, right, I need it to have a value. So I need to do something else here. Oh, man. Okay. If I really get into this stuff here. So I have direct control of the animation tree. Dot set. I think that's just like a different like route to go to the same like property thing. I guess I'm glad I like dug into this because this actually is a bit of work here. I think we'll get done with this game over screen by at least the end of the night, but hopefully before then. Where are we at? I need to look up how to do this. So what I want to do is change the blend value of this in code. Godot set blend to value. This is from Godot 3.1, so probably not accurate. It's the exact question I'm looking for, though. Parameters oh fuck, they have a state machine name, so I take whatever I put here. Wait, state machine name slash state name slash blend to. Oh, so wait, no, what? I think that's correct. I just. Okay, good. They have an example. Dude, this person rocks. Also, this post from 2018. Goddamn. If I do like this, right? Oop, not how that works. In the animation tree, see all the parameters in a visual way. Oh, oh, this is what I need. This is actually what I need. Fuck yes, yes. There's like, you can like copy path of, yes, there it is. Boom, right there. Add amount. Okay, yeah. Death Blender. I can just copy this whole thing, I think. Yes. Yes! Ha 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 ha! If I go back to my constants. The Death Blender. So what we want to also do on top of that I think that since it's just called set, yeah, I actually don't need to do anything else here. I can just call set animation variable. It's all treated as the same thing. This is where like the weird like uniformity of like style of everything shines when it comes to like Godot. I don't know whether that's a decimal or not. Okay. Thanks, man. Anyway. More importantly, let's go make our thing here. State machine. I'm gonna do it the wrong way, chat. We'll call it Death State Machine. Boom. And just like that, he's back. And just like that, he's not. Perfect. Okay, this is what I was hoping would happen. Yes! Okay. And you know what? We'll even set it back afterwards. How about that? Oh, this might, no, wait, we don't want to do that right away. So, this is a weird 3-state operation that needs to happen here. We need to... So... The player state knows the player died, so it sends a signal back to the player like, hey, you died. Then that... And it also stops accepting input in the way of the state machine telling it like, oh yeah, the player is incapable of moving, they're incapable of opening the menu, they basically can't do anything. Like, this is why I have all of these things in my player status, where it's just like, can the player open this menu? Can the player move? Can the player do this? You know? It makes stuff like this a little easier to manage, because it's just like, okay, that's already handled, no matter what. No matter what I do to, like, change the way I'm like altering the player's health or whatever, it all has to funnel through here ultimately, and it will detect when they die and just automatically handle this. But it sends that out. Then I have the animation play, and then I'll need to have... No, I don't need to set up any more of it. I have the event handler already. So when any animation finishes, that event handler goes off and checks, okay, is this one of the animations that we're waiting for? Specifically if it's any of the death animations. If that's finished, then we want to like fade, like have a fade out, like have the screen, I don't know, go to black or go to white, I don't know, whatever color I feel like. Red maybe, GoldenEye style. So that's what this will be, because this is getting called on an event basis when an animation comes back that starts with the word Death Dash. That's not going to happen tonight because I don't have an animation that starts with Death Dash in the name. I guess I could go make one. I could open up Blender, but I've got enough stuff I still need to do. So maybe we'll circle. Like if I finish everything else and we still have time, I'll circle back on this. But for now, this just won't get called. But that's fine. But yeah, once that happens, so yeah, I think to work around that, I'll probably just like call this directly from here for testing purposes. Hey, what's up, Top G Marky? Am I good with logic gates? Sometimes. Yeah, like logical statements. I'd say so. If we're talking like discrete math, like here's a logic table problem, I don't know. Spilled something, want to test it? No thanks. What'd you make though? Happy to chat through it. Sort of in the middle of some stuff, you know? But thanks for the offer regardless. A logic equation to logic statement converter. That's pretty neat. Cool. Do you want to see it? Do you have like a YouTube video or something of it? Shockingly, I am not looking to run some code that someone wrote that just popped into my popped into my stream for the first time ever. No, it's a website thing. Oh, so it's like a web app or whatever. I'll pass, but thank you. Okay. Alrighty. Oh yeah, I need my state machine. So we got this guy. So in theory, all I need to do here is like do like a one-shot animation on when the player, or well, no, this will be like just a big fan out of stuff, I think. It doesn't really matter what we have here, so I guess I'll put the blank animation here. Oh, well. Oh, right, this messes up other stuff with the players. I don't want to throw that in the tree right now. We'll use idle for now. This should theoretically be invisible because we're using blend and we have it. I clicked on the link and now all my screens are incredible. Nice meme. Yeah, go. Oh, right, I gotta be in this mode. There we go. Then that should just auto happen. I'll go check my other state machine after this, but I think that's good. We're good. Now, let us go and add another animation. We're gonna pretend that this is, wait, where is the shoot animation? Oh no, did I break that? Aw, man. I'd be sad if so. That's not the right one, I need the arms. Fire pistol. Oh yeah, no, that's got like no animation now. Crap. Well, I mean, it's not like it was any animation that we're gonna miss, like, this is our quality of animation we're working off of with this temp model that I've been using. Anyway, that's unfortunate, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. Like, I just need an animation, it doesn't really matter. Oh, it kind of matters, though, because a lot of them, Oh, I got an idea, actually, hold up. I think still is actually a non-broken animation, right? So if I move that over there... Can I not reparent this easily? What the hell? Alright, well that's very odd, but whatever. And death-generic will be our variable. Now, if I'm not mistaken, if I look at the animation tree, there should be like an entry for that, yeah, look at that. Wait, why did it capitalize? Did I do that? Hold on. Hello? Oh, right. Goon, what kind of soup would you make with me if you had a contest for $1 million? Damn. I don't even have any, like, good soup recipes myself. Though I would probably just make Possum's 3-bean soup to antagonize you, because I'm assuming that we each have to taste each other's soup, right? Single bean, but that's a lot of bean. Wait, really? Why do I keep calling it a 3-bean soup? I thought you used, there's like 2 different beans in it, and then like the 3rd bean is like the bean paste that you used in the base for the broth, right? Yeah, the other judges taste ours? Damn. Oh, because you used 3 oh. Well, there you go. Thank you for the clarification, Possum. Chat, what was I checking? Oh yeah, I was checking if I capitalized this or not. I don't think I did. Alright, I don't know why it capitalizes it in the menu, but I'm gonna assume it's okay to refer to it code-wise with lowercase, because that's what I'm doing with everything else. Oh, maybe I don't want auto mode. What does this one use? What is this? Oh, it is auto. Oh, right, auto, but it needs this condition to be true. Right, right. Cool. Alright, there we go. Alright, we now have our death blender. We have the death state machine, and if I go look at our variables on the tree overall, I should be able to like copy paste this path specifically. If I click the right magical pixel on this inspect thing. Alright, fuck whatever that was. This is the actual path to my thing. There we go. I do think this is actually like a pretty smart way of like interacting with the animation manager, because it keeps like the management of that tree separate while also like making it highly interactable from the code perspective. But has she talked to me about wedding cakes? Why, yes, as a matter of fact, a personal friend of ours that runs a bakery is making our wedding cake. She does not do wedding cakes, but she has literally told us for years, when you guys get married, I'm making you a wedding cake. She does make some pretty tasty treats, so I'm pretty excited. Oh right, you're asking Possum because you asked me this directly last night. Gotta email her? Maybe vanilla, probably. Oh, that's right, you were asking specifically what's in it. Yeah. Yeah, I couldn't remember if we had decided on, flavor or not yet. I guess we haven't. Which explains why I didn't remember if we talked about it yet or not. Okay, death blend amount set to 1. Trigger the death generic thing by doing this. Perfection. This is music. That's from Fire Emblem. It reminds me of that one. Hold on, I'm pulling it up, chat. You can't escape this, I'm sorry. It reminds me of that Resident Evil Survivor song.
Resident.
Shut up. Random welcome thing. Is it this one? It's not even a song. This playlist is called Resident Evil Survivor, the original soundtrack, and it has like voice lines. It's not that one. Maybe this one? No. What? Damn it. Starlight, you know the song. What song? What's the fucking song? Is it this one? It might be this one. Hold on. What's the jank-ass song from Resident Evil Survivor? Somebody in chat knows the answer to this obscure question. I think this is the song, but this is the version that's, like, not stupid. A lot of random cool flavors. Yeah, indeed. Fuck. One of the songs on this playlist is just called Mr. X and Mr. X and Mr. X. Doesn't it? It's fucking, like, stuck in traffic music. It's just too much, like, horn. Like, too much random MIDI horn sound. Oh, wait, where is it? Anyway, alright. That might be the fixed version of that song, but that is the song I'm talking about. Not enough horns. It's in the lab, I can't remember. Fair enough. Well, thank you anyway. Yeah, I went towards the end of the soundtrack because I'm like, I'm pretty sure this is in like the end lab area somewhere. You know, for how short that game is, you'd think I'd remember like literally every area of the game, but I super do not. Clearly that means we gotta replay it. Ah, crap, chat. I thought of a good game to torture myself with if we somehow get over 300 deaths. Even though we're, like, at the last game at this point, so it's just not gonna happen. Fair to you, Sir Goon? You don't go in every area and every playthrough. That's pretty true. If you melt... Because it's like... was it three times... How many split path segments are there? Are there 4 of them? So yeah, it's like 3 times 4 areas. It's still only 12, though. Still... Wait, no, there's only 3 split paths in Resident Evil Survivor. So there's only 9 areas then. Which, depending on how long an area is, could be a long game, but every area is like 5 minutes. That's not true. It's pretty short, though. I feel like the prison is probably the longest one out of any of them. As it feels that way, because you like go down those stairs, fight that moth, go in that chute, and no, the chute is one of the exits, right? Because the other option is to go through the yard, get the rope, and climb up the thing. Whatever. Anyway, enough talking about Resident Evil Survivor, chat. That game sucks. The game sucks, but it's not horrible. I don't know. I don't like that game. Now, Gun Survivor 2, the sequel, is actually awful. The game that is a bad game. However, Dead Aim, which I have on the rack of games behind me, there's something endearing about that game, even though it does have bootleg Leon Kennedy and Ada Wong. What was I doing? Oh yeah, we got this. This is all set up. We're good. We're actually just good. Okay, so that will trigger off, but it won't, like, we'll never get this callback, even though we do have something calling it. So I do want to leave that on for the purposes of, like, testing the actual death screen, but now we need to move on to actually, like, doing this fade out. And this is actually where things are funky because, yeah, you know what? Actually, screw whatever I said over here. Screw this. I don't need this. But yeah, there's only, yeah, okay, no, don't do get death animation flag, because it's going to be, like, different for, I don't know, like, there's not just one death animation. Gotta go to bed, love you too, babe, have a good night. Chat, you want to know a funny random anecdote? Now that Possum's gone, she probably, well, no, she would just be angry if I said this. There was a random night where I thought she was like out of town and had like I forgot she had come back. And I go to bed and I thought the bed was empty. So I just like I get ready to like roll up because we have like a king size bed. So I get ready to like launch myself onto the bed with my hand and then like roll across just because like I've been sleeping in an empty bed for the last like couple nights. She's in there. My hand lands right on her leg. I just inadvertently grab her leg, and I think it was like 3 in the morning or something. Scared the absolute shit out of her. And I was like, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I forgot you were home. But I whispered it because, like, also, you know, already getting jostled awake. No need to say that in a loud volume. Anyway, point is, I'm a shithead, but it's funny. They didn't cannonball her. Yeah, that could have happened too. So the thing is, we also have a frame on top of our king bed, so it's pretty high up. I'm not shocking. You might be shocked to hear this after my athletic performance last Monday playing Mario DDR. But I'm not the most athletic guy. I don't think I could like easily jump up onto my bed. It's pretty high off the ground is what I'm trying to say. Because our bed frame is like decently high up, and then it also like has a box spring in the mattress, so like we're kind of like it's pretty physically high up in our bedroom. Anyway, we're just gonna hard call this method here on death animation finished. Leave myself what to do. What am I looking for? I want to move this line when we have real death animations playing. Cool. Okay. On death animation finished. Pardon me. So now is when we want to start the fade out. I'm a little torn right now because, like... Actually, no, this is the perfect thing for a fade out. Rather than use... Like, the calculation for this will be so much more complicated if I do, like... time for the fade out. Like, if I just set a speed and then tweak it till it feels right, I think that's a better solution. Actually, you know what? No. So we'll just call this 5 seconds for now. Alright, so we'll have a variable called is dying, and then we'll also have a private float, death time left. I need to set that now. Oh, wait. Death, fade out, time left. Process. Hey Goon, hope you're having a good one. Thank you, Turner. You as well. Hope you're doing well. I can't say this has been the most productive stream, but we are doing some stuff that like needs to be done. Like, so what? The only thing I've been doing all night. Well, okay, not entirely. At first, I drew an image of John Waters eating a chicken, but after that, over half an hour long amount of time, we've been adding in like making the game actually do something when you die. I think we're gonna keep it simple for tonight. We're just gonna have it like. We'll go to a you died screen, which will be its own scene, and then like pushing like any valid button on that screen will just take you back to the or maybe let's put a button on it, I don't know, whatever. Take you back to the main menu. Actually, I'll put a button on it because then I think eventually we'll just need like a retry or something like that. which makes me think I should make like an autosave folder. Honestly, you know, I'm committed to the old school aesthetic in terms of like every aspect of this game. Like, I do want to add range controls, but I don't want to have like an option for like over the shoulder camera or anything like that, because I think it will ruin the experience. I do understand why a lot of modern indie horror games that want to have throwbacks to stuff like this do include an option to also have over the shoulder, because it's just more accessible to new gamers. The only thing I'm bending on this project though is just going to be adding in range controls. Handle shooting, handle... I think even Crow Country did that, right? Like, I think you had range controls in that one. That game fucking rocked. Mad respect to Crow Country. Oh yeah, handle death. Handle death. Physics process. And aiming. Okay, I kind of have this like grouped together slightly, so I'm gonna put my other one over here. So handle death if is dying. Oh, I need to give it the delta. That's fine, I'll just pass it through. If you're not dying, just return. Death fade out time left minus equals whoa. Delta. Yeah, and it's mad about that because it's a fucking float. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna make this a float. You ever play Clock Tower 3? I've played Clock Tower 3 exactly once. I like that one. How do you feel about it? But I kind of like it because it's goofy. Shocking, I know. Never played it myself. It is extremely different than any other Clock Tower game. I would say it's my favorite, personally, but also like it's not, don't expect any experience like the first 3. Chad, I don't want to get cocky, but we got through the water room in RE4 Remake. There's still several other rooms that are going to kill me several times. I'm most worried about the Krauser fight, because the first Krauser fight, the knife one, because on Professional you don't get checkpoints, and I don't know if there's any typewriters between the Novistador lair and the fucking boss fight. So I might need to, like, if I die to Krauser, I might need to redo the whole fucking part. Having said that, we've gotten pretty good with the knife parry timings, and that's basically all that fight is, so... I might also just blast him with, like, something big, because you can shoot him. You're supposed to fight him with knives in that part, but... whatever. Although I'm sure on Professional he's probably, like, not gonna go down easy from gunshots. Anyway, point is, things are currently trending well for us to not have to play Clock Tower Ghost Head again. But you never know. There's a lot of more parts that can kill us. Like, we've got 18 deaths total, and we're already through the water room. You know what other room is a bitch in the remake? The elevator room in the castle. That room is so goddamn hard in the remake. Hope it all goes bad. I mean, it still could. Like, we're like 70 deaths away from playing it, I think, and have to play Clock Tower. Yeah. I gotta remember what the other game... I had, like, a perfect third game. There's no... Okay, I will say this. I don't even need to knock on wood. There's no way I'm going to die over 300 times by the time I'm out of RE4 Remake. I don't care how hard Professional is. Like, that's just not happening. But if we do get past 200, I will set a game. If I can remember the one I'm thinking of right now, I will pick that one particularly, but I don't know what it is in this particular moment. Don't worry, it's also some horrific shit that I do not want to play. We've already gotten over 100, which means I have to play Gaiden again. Is it Bubsy? Well, we're playing Bubsy 3D as part of my PS1 marathon. Speaking of my PS1 marathon, I'm gonna continue my my playthrough of that Overblood 2 game tomorrow, since I'm not streaming this Friday. By the way, Starlight, I think you should check that game out. If you're ever looking for like a retro game to play, Overblood 2 is fucking insane. You might need to use a guide on where to go, though, because it's a little confusing at times. Also, the only Game FAQs guide out there only has a guide for the first disc of the game, and then, like, I couldn't figure out where to go. Is it on Steam? It is not, sadly. It's only on PS1. I think it monumentally failed for whatever company that made it. I don't know if it's the last thing they made or not, though. Probably look it up, though. I am a little intrigued right now. 1998 video game by River Hill Soft. Defunct in 2004. Okay, so they probably made something after this because this game came out in 1998. It's their last game. They made Panic Bomb. Dude, they made the fucking this game. Shit, hold on. No, where's my disc for that? I thought I had it right here. The Bomberman on fucking PC in the 90s. Holy shit. That's crazy. World Neverland Huaneba Island was the last game they made. Dude, they kind of pumped out a lot of games in the 90s. Rest in peace, Kings. Wait, they made... No. Okay, no. They probably, like, published it or something. I see the original Prince of Persia on here, which just blew my mind, but I don't... Like, the person that made the original Prince of Persia, it was just, like, a guy. Because I remember, like, the rotoscoping technique came from, like, him and his brother, like, just going around doing stuff and he'd sketch it. Don't worry, I already come equipped with the GPS. Nice. I know it is very odd for me to say this as I am currently single-handedly making a game, but I do miss the olden days of, like, solo dev. I mean, people still do make amazing, like, fucking Balatro, or hell, even, Chat, what are the games that Toby Fox made? What the fuck? What are those games called? Not Overblood. Undertale. Overtale. And Deltarune, there we go. Jesus Christ, that was a big brain gap. Anyway. Think you'll ever make a trash film? We're talking like a feature-length movie. I think I missed my only window to ever be involved in making of a movie, and I would have just been like an actor in it, but that was also years ago. Light extra. Hey, I'm making an indie film with just people I know. Do you want to join in? So probably not. But also, I do, speaking of film, though, there's some people that are going to be helping me on this game that, have, like, actual, like, some serious film creds under their belt. Or Macon, would you join in? Sure. Actually, yeah, I would be in for that. For you specifically, Starlight. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. Let me just do it this way. If I do... Finish dying. Not handle death. First off, set that to 0. Start thinking about his Grammy speech. Yeah, absolutely. I don't even need to reset. Actually, I shouldn't really need to reset either of these because we're just changing the scene, so... Scene changer. Dot change scene. Never mind. Scene manager? No, fuck. God damn, man. Can't type tonight. Oh, I see. I guess I can just make a object for this. Dude, holy crap. Dude, why am I saying dude so much? I call this from all over the fucking place. Also, why the hell is the teleporter script under the puzzles? That should be over here by the game flow. Anyway. That's the problem for later. Dude, what the hell is this song? Do re mi. Oh, do re mi, not do. I was like Doraemon. What? Sandstorm, dude. True. Change the scene. Game over scene. Okay, actually, you know what? I do like this because if I ever wanted to like change which game over scene you go to, this gives me a little better control than just like, hey, just go to like passing this thing off to the scene changer. Like, oh yeah, go to the player death screen. No, the player should be telling you what the death screen is and then pass that info through your normal mechanisms. That thing should just be there for changing scenes and nothing else. I mean, I guess it also handles the door load animation, but that's neither here nor there. What is this object called? You son of a bitch. Scene load data. I believe this is from one of the Of Mana games, but I could be wrong. Yep, Secret of Mana specifically. Chat, okay. I only ever played Secret of Mana once, but I did play it with my two roommates. It's like, it was the perfect setup. When I was a younger man. And we had a whiteboard in our living room, because we also like started a game company together, and then proceeded to never, well, I guess we did release a couple things, but they were all free apps, so like we never made money. Anyway. We had a whiteboard that we were usually using for like game design stuff for our game. But when we were playing Secret of Mana, we kept writing like reminders on the whiteboard because it was like next to like where our SNES was. Like, here's what we were doing. And we were at, this is pretty early on in the game, like we did not finish the game even remotely, but Find Lucca's Palace was like on our whiteboard for like probably a full year. And then we just started, like, we're not playing, like, we sat down, like, one night randomly, and just like, we're not playing this anymore, right? I'm like, yeah, probably not, so we just erased it. For more inconsequential stories, you know, here I am. I guess I should set those. The palace was never found. It literally was. Yeah, literally yes. I never found Lucca's Palace in that game. We'll just set these to zeros so they don't like cause an issue. You know, to be fair, I don't even know, like, this is not, I don't, like, need this to do anything else, so this is kind of doing a lot. Yeah, I don't, Must find the palace? I mean, I would not be against playing Secret of Mana on stream. That could happen. So, at this point, we almost don't even, like, we're gonna reset the game state regardless. So... Wait, doesn't this have like a reset or something? I know I made like a reset state somewhere on some object. Probably on, I know there's a thing called reset state here, but that only resets the state for the player interact. Oh, you know what? We don't even need to do this anymore. Shit, yeah, because this is per scene now, I think. Let me see the path here. Yeah, player route / interact hitbox. So this genuinely, like, is just not needed, I think. Not implementation, I want to see, yeah, just there. To do. This would be not needed any longer because this script runs on a per scene existence, unlike the Unity version where the entire player became a singleton. That's not how you write that. That's also not how you write that. On game start. The heck is happening over here? Damn my friends and their big dick moves. My one buddy just discovered Balatro and was talking about it, and I'm like, oh yeah, I've been playing that, it's pretty fun. I have a good run going right now. This was like when Possum and I were sitting down for lunch after our photo shoot, and I'm like, I'm on Ante 12 on the green ship. And then I like go back and continue my game. I'm like, oh wait, actually I'm on Ante 11. And also, I was on the green ship, that was correct, but I fucking lost at the small blind. Meanwhile, my buddy's like, damn, Ante 12 is a bastard, and just has a screenshot of him losing at Ante 12. Anyway, enough Balatro talk. Anyway, I'm not gonna rip this out right now, but I will investigate this and probably end up removing it, because I'm like pretty sure that this is just like an artifact of my Unity version, because in the Unity version, basically the player gets created once per play, whereas in this version, the player is like a thing that's in each scene that the player exists in. Then it runs that logic for that scene, and when you move scenes or reload or anything like that, it completely resets you. Anyway. But I thought that, like, the game status or whatever, not game status, oh yeah, data saver, there we go, this guy. Does this have a reset? Ah, this has a reset state. And this one actually is needed because this is a singleton. This exists as soon as you turn the game on, and that's the only copy that exists. Or auto-load is the proper term in Godot, but in 2050 this game will be a true retro classic. It really will. I'm aiming to have some kind of release at on Halloween this year. That probably will be like a proper demo instead of the tech demo that's out there right now. But yeah, it's all TBD at this point. Okay, so that is all that. Please do save this scene. I do need the changes on the player here. Oof. And if I go back to one of the scenes here, dude, where are the scenes? Oh, not the park walkway. Give me the gazebo. All right, so go to one of our scenes, and we do. What do we do? Oh right, I didn't actually call the thing yet. Damn it. Where does reset state get, this reset state get called? That's what I want to know. So it's called all over the place. Oh no, that's only 2 places, never mind. So it does it on the ready method, which, yeah, that makes sense. But then on player status, oh, player status dot reset game is a thing you can call. Okay, who else calls this? There's also a setup new game, because of course there is. Okay, well no, okay, this shit gets called when you run on the title screen. So I think we're covered just by the fact of like the player status may be invalid when you're like going back to the title screen, but since you have to go through there, whether you're loading or starting a new game, I think it gets called in either case, right? Set game state. Yeah, here. Right. Okay. Yeah, this was to fix a bug where like when you loaded like a save file, it wouldn't be in sync of like what the player was doing in terms of like weapons or whatever. It would like think that like if you had the gun equipped and then you like exited the title, loaded a new save file or whatever, it would think like, oh yeah, your gun's still equipped. Or a different save file where you didn't have the gun equipped. It is a weird thing. Anyway, chat. Going to the restroom again. I'll be back. Alrighty. Back again. No, it's happening again. What is up? Dude, I need to stop buying this brand of beer. Just get all the shaken up can. Though I guess I did kind of move violently. Maybe that's my fault. Good thing I caught it before I fully opened the can. It's just bubbling at the surface here. Alright, actual question, chat. Because I actually have two different beers that I've been drinking tonight. One of them's a Pilsner, the other one's a Hefeweizen. Are Hefeweizen? There we go. Sorry, chat. I've had too much of it. Are they like more prone to the carbonated overflow or something? Any like liquid physicists in the chat? That's a good beer. Anyway. Alright, so the point is we're covered in terms of like I don't need to worry about resetting the state when we finish resetting the player. So if we call a valid scene here, everything should be Gucci. You know what? Hold on. Oh, but I got me a pickled sausage. I don't know why I'm replying in this thread with my friends about Balatro, but I'm replying right now. Scientific notations when you use like E, right? I got this right. Got me a pickled sausage, heck yeah. Yes. No. Oh, big, wait, is it big E notation? No, I'm thinking of, oh my god. E notation? There we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, it is that. There we go. Perhaps I am more far gone than I thought. Oh man. Oh, you guys can't see them. They got filtered. Alright. Since I'm in the banning process here, go ahead and just ban that top G dude, since they hey Yochi replays literally just came in here, said, hey, do you know much about this? Do you want to see my project? And I was like, no thanks. And then they linked it, and then they're like, oh, do you want to try it? And I'm like, no, you're not getting banned, sorry. Literally just someone that like is a first-time chatter, came in, plugged their shit, and then just disappeared forever, and engaged in no conversation outside of me. Like, I'm sorry, to some degree, like I don't mind like having conversations, like if people are working on projects, I love talking about that stuff. But like, you just come in here like, I'm self-promoting, and then you just fucking fuck off, then I like, fuck you, get out of my stream. Stay out of my stream. Yeah, no, you can absolutely plug your shit. Like, I'm not even against people plugging stuff. It's just like, if you're just here to like, hey, I'm gonna like be an advertisement in your chat, like, and that's my only existence for being in your fucking like 8-person chat, like, fuck off. I don't know. I don't want to. Oh yeah, don't pressure to either at the same time. But even if you want to talk generically, just shoot the shit about like, I'm working on like this sort of thing right now, like a whatever random system. Always happy to talk in that capacity. It's just it's very transparent when people. There was someone that came in like last week, I think, maybe 2 weeks ago. The similar thing. They're like, I've been working on my game for 18 hours a day, 7 days a week. Do you want to see my game? It's called this. And I'm like, again, I'm more than happy to talk to people that are like, you know, looking to just talk shop with other game devs. But if you're here in a business capacity to be like, okay, well, I want your sale, so I'm going to try to sell you, like, fuck off. I know. No solicitation. Maybe he's just looking for a friend and he's crying now. That's the other side of things. Like, I get it. People can be awkward when they share stuff. That's why I wasn't, like, quick to jump down his throat. But, like, making custom walkers. My walkers program. Neato. Should have told him, son. I've been working on I've been working on my John Waters movie for 20 hours a week. No, I kind of just used that opportunity to talk about Crunch. And then I got a little political. Because these things are ultimately intertwined, but it's fine, chat. The game industry is fine. Man, people are really good at upgrading their hands in Balatro. I just had my first run where I like had a ridiculously leveled up pair. It was, I think, at 33, yeah. It was at 33 when I lost. Which may not even sound like anything to people that are really good at that game, but to me I was like, whoa! I can play like 2 cards and I win the entire hand. You learn how to walk before you can run. Very true. Chat, I forgot what the hell I was doing. Oh yeah, I was adding a scene. Oh yeah, I need a const. Oh, I don't even think I have this, do I? I feel like I should have this somewhere. How does it go to the title screen, though? Like, current day, how do I make this shit go to the title? I forget. Huh. I've made a decision, chat. I'm gonna have my scene changer accept like an alternate endpoint where it just like just goes to a scene. Let's do that. Public void change scene directly. Oh, that's C#. I was wondering why I didn't understand anything. Also a factor for sure. It's. I should try writing another Godot game in GD script, although the problem is, like, I don't know if I'd ever, like, willingly pick Godot. I come off so negative when I get on these tirades, but, like... After having thoroughly analyzed this platform in the form of making this video game, I don't really wish to use Godot in a, like, long-term project capacity. At least in its current state. And they're making good strides every day, but there's just like so much gap, and also so much stuff I'm already familiar with on the Unity side that I'm just going back to Unity. It's gonna be real with the chat. Okay, so this will just take a string of what scene to go to, and then I won't have any of this other stuff randomly load. I will just do this change scene to file, and boom. So yeah, that's a go now. You tried. I'm starting to think that having all my constants in a big constants file is not the best way to do things. It's not bad, but it could be better, I think. And I think this is where we start to make that change, chat. I'm making a lot of, like, decisive changes to, like, core infrastructure principles in my game, but you know what? Whatever. We're gonna put scene constants in here. Not static. That might be the first time anyone's used that emote in my chat. But I did add it a while ago because to me it is very funny. That it won't come out. This poop lol. Shit. Can I do this? Like have a scene base path? Does this need to be static if I do this? No, it accepts that. Good. Thanks. I don't know why I thanked the code for compiling. Found a random emote using the colon, yeah. Hell yeah. Chat, who's excited for some more Overblood 2 tomorrow? Fridga. Do love me some Fridga. I don't know what Pepe emotes like, especially like the really out there ones where you just distorted him to the point where it's not even remotely Pepe looking anymore. It's really fun. Yeah, the one where he's a fridge is just it's so stupid, but that's why I love it. For a while there was like a GIF in the in Moon's sub-only Discord that was like two of the Pepe as a fridge just like behind each other, but like just not graphically, but just moving into each other. Yeah. I think hold on, I actually have a similar Oh no, PogChamp is gone. Damn it. Not the literal PogChamp, but you're okay. You know. Okay. Well, shit. I forgot that Static Haze just knows all. Usually, I talk about like even like larger streamers like Moon Moon, and people are like, I don't know the fuck that is. Which fair. Not everybody needs to know every streamer. Chat. I do not even want to reveal what year I learned who XQC is. It's embarrassing, especially considering that I've been streaming on this platform since 2017. Bridgega. Ohioga. And I've ADHD, so I get around the platform. Hell yeah. I didn't really watch. I was aware of the Justin TV days, but I wasn't really around on it. Games Done Quick is what actually got me on Twitch. Specifically, I Want to Be the Bashi is both. No, that wasn't where I signed up. I don't know. I signed up somewhere back before they had sub-only chat, so I could like chat and stuff and do the silly memes that everyone else is doing on screen. And then shortly thereafter, I started streaming on it because I saw somebody do a speedrun. I think it was Summer Games Done Quick. I don't really remember. Of I Want to Be the Bashi, and I'm like, oh, it's like one of those I Want to Be the Guy games. I'm like, oh wait, this one actually looks really cool, even though they're speedrunning through it. And I was playing through it like offline, and my friend's like, oh man, I wish I could see you play that. And I'm like, I mean, I guess I could stream. OBS is a thing. And that's how I got started streaming. The Goon origin story. Ah. And then I had a decent following playing Mario Maker, but I realized everyone was children, and then I also slowly started to hate Mario Maker as well. So need a Plinky mode. Oh, is that the that's hold on. I think we're adding that. Better Twitch. Unless it's on 7TV. I just don't want to set up a 7TV account. I mean, I guess you don't set one up, you just connect your Twitch, but still. That's like the cat blinking thing, the wide one, right? Oh yeah, there it is. It's on Better Twitch. Ba-boom. Oh, well, okay. Well, sorry. I did it with... No, hold on, I can set up alias. Do a capital K, but... I should have that one enabled. Good suggestion, chatter. Whichever one of you said that. Static Haze. Cider. Started getting mostly WoW and Arma 2 and DayZ mod streamers. It's a fun time. Goon hated being a baby sister. Lyric and Dan's Game is for some of my favorite. Hell yeah, I used to watch Lyric. I have almost never watched Dan's Gaming. I watched him once because Bakbasup rated him when Bakbasup was playing the fucking Lego Star Wars of all things. I can rename it so it's just lowercase k, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I do that for words that like... So, I think I did this properly. Yeah, so the word dead, if you just typed it in all lowercase, used to be that cat emote, this one. And I was like, that's really dumb because people keep accidentally saying it. So I set an alias to be all caps. That's funny. That's how it is. What am I looking for? I want to call this, game over screen, yeah. Scene base path will be this. No, it won't actually. Okay, I think I have done the unthinkable, and I just kind of have scenes at the like in this base. Yeah, I sure do. Both the staging area and the title screen. Oh yeah, we ended up having to make a staging area anyway. That still peeves me. Whatever. It's awesome back in the day with this horror month. Look forward to it every year. Hell yeah. You know who does kind of do like I mean, I do horror all the fucking time, so that's just me. But I don't watch him as much as I used to, but Barbarous King usually tries to do like a strictly horror month when October rolls around. I like it when streamers do that, especially people that don't typically play horror stuff, because it's cool. It's cool to see like people that aren't already like I'm obviously drinking the Kool-Aid when it comes to this horror. I mean, obviously I wouldn't be making a fucking like Resident Evil style game if I wasn't like really into horror games. So like when I play something like, for example, when I'm playing fucking like Overblood 2, it's like, okay, this is a weird ass game, but like I know like weird niche horror games, like I can handle this. People like getting into stuff that like I would love to see like, I don't know, I can't think of a streamer off the top of my head, but just someone that's like not a horror aficionado by any means play the game D2, because that game is fucking insane. There is one guy I watch, the B721. Who is very much on board with playing like random retro games. I mean, he's currently like playing his way through no wait, it's 11 o'clock, he's offline probably. I was gonna say literally currently, a couple hours ago he was though. Playing every N64 game to completion. It's pretty neato. But he's not a big horror guy, so I hesitate to like recommend things that are horror adjacent. That's a good example of a streamer that I would love to see like experience D2, because it's just like, what the fuck is this game? Best N64 game, go. Perfect Dark. Out of all of the games I've played, the only thing that even comes close is maybe like Custom Robo. That game's actually really good. I had a fun time playing that. But yeah, like, even though I've played through like over 100 games at this point in my N64 marathon, nothing has trumped Perfect Dark for me. Still love that game. I do quite like Banjo-Kazooie though. Not a big fan of Banjo-Tooie though. I mean, Alright, we did replay Banjo-Tooie for the marathon. I liked things about it, but also parts of it made me very irritated. Real talk, when are you gonna play Seaman? I don't know. I want to. It's gonna happen. I just need to figure out logistics. So, number one fan of Hawk Tooie. Sorry, sorry, you said that in my head. I just pictured the Hawk Tuah girl and like the Serge Tankian, because Chop Suey. That's a very out there like connection. But anyway, oh shit. So, multiple problems with playing Seaman, right? I do have a way of capturing output from my Dreamcast, however my Dreamcast disc reader is currently dead. However, I have ordered a mod kit to make it run off a hard drive, like 3 months ago. I don't know where the fuck it is. Probably should follow up with the store on that. Anyway, once I get that installed, I can stream off of my Dreamcast again. I'm not opposed to emulation, but, I don't know how well a mic input works for emulation. I know my keyboard worked perfectly when we played Typing the Dead, so that was cool. Because fucking Typing of the Dead, the game, is not that expensive, but if you want to buy a fucking Dreamcast keyboard, good luck, buddy. Buddy. I don't know why I threw a buddy out there. Could not find one for even remotely cheap. Yeah, buddy. I hope this does not sound like I am mocking Canadian people, but I do think when I get aggressive, I do get that kind of like, I'm not, well, okay, my family is like going back, like I'm part Canadian, but direct, like I've never lived in Canada. I don't have any sort of like citizenship there. But anyway, it like for whatever reason that just like pops out when I like start getting aggro. For some reason that's like what my vernacular goes to when I'm like puffing my chest up but trying to remain decorum, because I don't know, like, as much as you might expect, like, when I get angry in real life, I probably shout and say vulgar things in the way I do on stream. Not even remotely. Like, 3 C's, chat. Calm, cool, collective. Stole it off your porch. It's your guy, friend. It's literally that. Going back, there's a lot of, like, really random humor in this movie, but I was talking about Sorry to Bother You earlier. There's like that scene where like the two friends are like having their clash, and it's just really civil because they're just like, well, I disagree with you, but I hope you have a good day. If nobody, there's no context I could possibly describe to give further context to that, but whatever. Also, I forgot to do this. So when the death animation finishes, we do this. Yo, was that some Mario RPG music? I probably should have realized this earlier. The jingling sound is enough to give it away. Oh, actually, I might... Okay, hold on. Forget this sentence-long intro to my statement here. Oh shit, Alien Dance? Wait, is Alien Dance not working? No! No! 3 C's, huh? It's what the best Resident Evil Outbreak character, George, would say. Actually, I guess he doesn't say that. It's just one of his ad-libs, but whatever. How do I not have Alien Dance, chat? Unless you guys can see it. I can't see it. Oh, there. Fixed. You can see it? The heck? I couldn't. That's weird. Do I have... Okay, hold on. Do I have this one? I don't. Oh, snap. I don't know. This is actually a 7 TV emote, so if it's on Better Twitch, they kind of stole it, I think. But let's see. There's no way it's not on here. Where is it? Alright, there we go. You guys get 3 new emotes tonight. Look at that. I don't know why. I fucking love the stupid ass like Bitmoji face doing like random things. That's another thing that Moon Moon's community is like brain rotted me with. So they post that shit all the goddamn time. Having said that, I love hanging out in there. Okay, yeah. To do, eventually, we should load in different game over screens based on which animation finished. Or set a different visual in the game over screen, or whatever makes sense. Implementation wise. Whenever that happens, use the method param to set something in the state or wherever to help determine what scene to load / visuals to load. Does Blick even work? Yeah, you might need to refresh if you're not seeing it. Big chats are hilarious, the brain rot. Yeah, it really is. It's like, it's the dumbest fucking meme ever, but in Moon Moon's chat, people just constantly try to, like, they try to spell cum, like, one letter at a time, but it's, like, 10,000 people in chat, so it's just... Huzzah! What is this song? This is George Foreman for real boxing. Sorry, Foreman for real. Title screen. Dude, what the hell is this? I mean, I'm sure it's just a boxing game. It's probably really boring. But the cover art goes so goddamn hard, you have no idea. Okay, chat. YouTube officially has too much information about me. My recommended shorts have a brain rot video of a dog dancing in reaction to Bomberman Hero music playing specifically. I'm linking this video. Science has gone too far. They've caught me. Hey, what's up, Int? How's it going? Showcase a game I worked on earlier on Friday. And I'm kidding. Sorry, I was going on a rant earlier because someone came in here that was a first-time chatter, and no, yeah. First of all, Int is literally helping on this project. Or he's gonna, but whatever. He's volunteered to spend some of his free time to help assist with this project for literally nothing. He is amazing. But also, yeah, we were talking about that earlier. Because someone came in here that I've never seen before, wanted me to try their website that they built, and then, like, left after I was like, cool, alright, I'm busy. Int, more like bull, because you're false. Sorry, none of this is directed at you, by the way, just to clarify. This is a continuation of our random meme. I am trying desperately to make a game over screen for my game, and you know the funny thing is we probably could have just made it like hastily and we'd be done like an hour ago. I know, it's all good. Cool. I just want to make sure nothing gets lost in context. I'm paranoid after I it's not even it was someone else that I chat with outside of stream, where I thought they thought I was like actually mad at them, and I was just like, I was raging at the game, and in their defense, it did sound like I was directing some of that rage at them. But they were like, oh yeah, I didn't want to get too aggro, and I'm like, oh no, oh my god, you're fine. I'm the asshole here. Joke's on you, I'm broke. Dude, what is with this fucking us from NBA Live 96? This is indeed some 90s music, I'll say that much. Holy shit, Int, thank you for the gift sub. To Starlight Pumpkins. Enjoy. Can use all sorts of... Chat, I need to draw some more emotes. Also, that Pikmin I drew was too small to upload to Twitch, so I need to, like, scale it or something. I don't know. Ugh, pardon me. God, this is a constellation. Well, thank you, Int. Successful steal. Damn. Starlight, you need to hang out more in my chat so you can go mug more people for subs to me. Don't do that. For the record. Dude, oh my god, this fucking song is going so hard. I love this. Give me your plink. Easy +1 sub. True. Song is over. I have this game. This is Super Off-Road. I don't know. I'm sure I played it. No, I have Super FX Racer. Never mind. Different game. That is how little I played it. Okay, so is dying is true, and we set the death timer fade out over here. We do this. If you finish dying, then we call, not this, but we call scene changer dot change scene. Oh, no, I still need to call get instance. And then change scene directly, and then we'll take from scene changer dot game over screen. Boom. Chat. Oh my god. Oh my god. I could have finished this. So What's that? Oh, that's gotta be a sub emote. Oh no, it's a global emote. I'm like, that's not something I added. It's pretty cool. Also a very cool song. Man, chat, if you guys are jiving with this music, there you go. That's the playlist I'm listening to. Nice, solid big boy emote. Love that. Hope his game's going well. I know he's in early access now. Truth be told, I haven't bought it, but I did wishlist it. It's awesome. I'll eventually pick that up. Dude, I've said this on stream several times where I'm like, I have nothing against this like genre of game, but like stuff that's like Factorio, I love it, but it's so goddamn close to my day job, I just like can't stomach playing them. That doesn't mean I can't just buy a copy, you know? Fishing guns and more. True, he does have a bit more like adventurous gameplay in his game. Pretty cool. Maybe I would jive a little better with that, because like Factorio, like yeah, there's combat and stuff, but like ultimately the core gameplay loop of Factorio is that you're setting up like a system of things and then dealing with the consequences of needing to upgrade to like new production chains and whatever else you're doing. Chip's a maniac at making things fast? Hell yeah. I'm a maniac at making things incredibly slowly, as y'all are seeing right now. Also, I need to make sure this scene exists, which it doesn't right now. And say he's very Tree of Wisdom. Nice. I really do need to draw some more emotes, though. Like, first of all, I have all the, like, follower emotes not filled right now, which is bad. My face when someone has the scene of John Waters. Chat, I am proud of myself from my smug emote. I don't even know what I was... I know that was like when I was going on some random tirade, which is, you know, that doesn't narrow it down at all. But scenes. Let's make a scene. The more I think about this, the more it makes sense to just build this in a way where there's one game over... Pardon me. One game over scene. Actually, if I'm doing that, this should be a 3D scene. Having said that, it's very easy to change these in Godot. Again, as much as I will shit on Godot, I gotta give it credit where it's due, you know? Oh, it doesn't really matter what I do here, because I need to have the root element be that viewport. If we are making this properly, and I'd like to just start it out right. Is this still that truck game? Oh no, this is Super Turrican 2. So I think the way we do this is we like copy paste those two elements and then put our scene under it. Yeah, let's do whatever. I'll just make it this way. No, we'll just call it root, and we'll make it. Oh, there we go. We'll change the type inside here. So, if you're wondering what the fuck I'm, like, doing right now, all of these scenes have this, like, structure where it, like, has this weird view, because I have a filter running over the entirety of the game that's a shade. It's just a shader, but, like, I need a viewport to, like, modify the pixels that you're seeing on the screen, so the whole scene needs, like, a container, which is of type sub-viewport container. I mean, I guess I should have just changed... Well, I would need to do this regardless, even if I set this to interface type. Oh no, I could have, oh, whatever. Yeah, I could have just... You can choose which type you want. And then a sub-viewport... Oh wait, do I need a sub-viewport or a regular viewport? I think it's a sub-viewport, right? Yeah. I figured it was because it, like, kind of set it to that, you know? Is this not Snowboard Kids music? Oh, it's from the Top Gear video game on SNES. It's also loud as hell. Setting made perhaps when you're going on a Resident Evil tirade, someone who dissed Outbreak. I have never had anyone in my chat diss Outbreak. In fact, I can only think of a couple times anyone said anything negative about a Resident Evil game at all. Except for that one guy that got really mad when I told him, your opinion is wrong for saying that Resident Evil 6 is the worst Resident Evil game. And said, you don't know the side games if you think that 6 is the worst one. Outbreak might be one of the best games, or sorry, the best ones. Sorry, there's a little Freudian slip right there. Outbreak and Outbreak 2 are my favorite in the series, god damn it. They certainly are not my favorite game of all time, I will say that. But they might be up there. Camera 3D. Gun Survivor 2 is stupidly hard. It really is, but you can at least put it on very easy and beat it. It's also stupidly short. Oh, shit, that was one of the ideas I had floated. Maybe I will do this. My next punishment, if I get 300 deaths in my RE marathon, even though we're at the last game and I don't even have 200 yet, we could do Gun Survivor 2 all dungeons. This is like the dungeon game mode. I've played a lot of that, but I haven't finished it. There's like a ton of stages for it, and it's literally going through mazes, so that is my personal hell. I had to put it on very easy. Yeah, I think I was there for your stream for that. I'm pretty sure that happened. It happened to me, I know that much. Not to say like, oh, I'm not gonna puff my chest out. You are absolutely better than me at several Resident Evil games. Definitely got me beat on 5. You definitely got me beat on Outbreak and Outbreak 2, even though they're like my favorite ones. I mean, I'm sure I could probably run circles around you on like the new ones, but that's not even like a fair... I don't think you've played like some of the new remakes, so... you know. Not to say I'm great at those, but... Technically speaking, the one time we did race on, Resident Evil 2 original randomizer, you did win. So you got me there. Hey, what's up, Lupus? My terrible game pitch. Hacky said team management simulator. Okay, so I put a 3D camera in here, but we're just gonna put like another thing. We're gonna put like a UI over all of this. I played RE2 Remake for 10 minutes once. Something. Remember the time we played Resistance? I know you were not a fan of that game, but it was funny. I mean, I wouldn't call myself a fan of the game either, but I do like it. I do? Hell yeah. Oh, crap. Crap-a-rooney, chat. I need to... Aw, man. Aw, man. Yeah, these have specific settings. Damn it. You know what? Can I just put these in here? No, I really can't, because the root has to be the root. But you know what? We can delete everything else and put the rest in there. Bella Corpse more. I remember... Okay. I know I permabanned this person. I got no beef with him. I said it before, I'll say it again. I remember watching Norman play Umbrella Corps. He was like, oh my god, this is terrible. He was not a fan. Shockingly. I do remember playing Umbrella Corps with you, though. God, that game's bad. I still hate, I hate Gun Survivor 2 more than Umbrella Corps. I'm sorry. I mean, both of those two are like the unique Resident Evil games in that they are like genuinely bad and I would argue indefensible for having even been made in the first place. DM I'm asking to play. 1v1 him in Umbrella Corps. Do you have an itch.io? Oh, yeah, I do. I think it's itch. There we go. All the games I have made so far are very short. This one should hopefully be a couple hours long. Like the first playthrough for our game, we're aiming for sort of like a 4-hour mark. That might be wishful thinking, I don't know. But the scope of what we talked about so far is kind of beyond that, to be honest. But I think we'll cull stuff down once we actually start writing, because I haven't written anything yet. Alright, well I don't want all this shit in here, so get rid of it. Going for the next RE2 here? Hope so. I'm a bad influence, because I keep mentioning like my stupid idea to set this in a museum. Well, I mean it's going to be set in a museum. We already got great, we do have actually solidly good ideas for the museum, but the other half of this is to make my stupid Resident Evil 2 reference, where instead of being a police department that is a repurposed old art museum, it's an art museum that's a repurposed old police station. It's so fucking dumb. I need to like stop saying that because it's gonna be part of the script if I don't like stop soon. It seems good. No, don't encourage me, Jeff. Anyway. Dude, okay, check. And I already linked the video. This is from the game Soul Blazer. I don't know what the fuck that is, but this tune rocks. In fact, I turn it up. Okay, hot take, chat. Spicy hot take from Goon here. The best type of chiptunes are things that are like sort of trying to emulate some amount of funk genre. Like, I wouldn't call this a funk song, but the way that like emulated like slap bass is playing, it does kind of feel a little funky, you know? Specifically in the realm of chiptunes. I'm not talking like video game music as a whole, but like back in the NES area where you had like a sound chip and, you know, had to code in your... I guess that extends beyond that. That would also be PS1 and N64 era. And Dreamcast era. I guess that's... Well, Dreamcast is... Yeah, whatever. Anyway. Game over screen. Back to it. Alright, we're almost there. Oh, wait, okay, our viewport has a lot of the settings. I do need to put the shader over this. Now, once again... I'm shooting myself in the foot here. I need to have UI elements exist outside of the scene filter of what's going on, because I want to alter the effects of, like, you know, whatever's going on graphically in the scene, but I don't want to have that applied to my my UI elements, and that's currently happening, which is why it's a little hard to read the text on any of the menus, because like it's not because like it's a bad text that's illegible, but like because it's being processed through that global filter, it is affecting it, you know? We could probably do that by, like, deparenting it, but I don't know. Yeah. Well, anyway, that's a problem for later, I guess. It's probably not the best way to handle this, but still. Yeah. And honestly, this could just be full screen. We're gonna do a little experiment here. What if I put this here? Will it... I don't... Like, this is weird. I don't know. This might just break the entire scene. I'm gonna put this above this. Oh, right, I need to put something in here. Text. Or no, label. Layout. Anchors. Where's the center? Oh, there we go. I'm like, I see center everything except the actual center. I'm losing my mind. You died. I want to make that a little bigger. Where's the style overrides? Theme overrides, there we go. Walls. Oh, font sizes, there we go. Actually, I want this to be... We're gonna have a red background. For now. It's not... I don't know, is white a good color on red? Maybe black is better, actually. Well, we'll see. Color rec, that's what I'm looking for. And we'll need to, like, restructure the scene for sure once we, actually have stuff going on screen. So if you guys think of, like, Resident Evil 2, right? You get killed by a zombie, it cuts to, like, a zombie eating your corpse, and it says game over. You get killed by a licker, it cuts to a licker eating your corpse. It's like a different animation that plays. So what I want to do is have a 3D scene showing, like, something akin to that, but then also have the text over this. But for right now, we're just getting text on screen and a way to get back to the main menu. That's it. I want red. I also need to make this go across the entire screen, so we do this guy. Then I realize I had things in the wrong order. I have made a grave error, chat. Give me a V-box container. So I need to, well, this guy needs to be the full screen. I know that. Do I need to scroll with this as well? Dude, this is so loud. Fucking crazed Bomberman music over here. Kind of good. Okay. This might actually work. Hold on. No, it doesn't work. Damn it. I just need like a couple controls in here. Okay, that's decent. That actually might end up being a horizontal scroll container at some point. Woo! I don't know why I typed woo. You know, instead of return to title screen, how about just title screen? And then... theme overrides. Fonts. Not fonts, font sizes. Oh, wait, I never set the theme on it. So this actually might be fine if I just set the theme. Yeah. There we go. Probably should set that over here as well, but whatever. Don't exactly need this to look beautiful to get it working, you know? So, mild problem. This guy's layout is not fucked? What? Maybe I need to reset this guy's. Okay, yeah. But no, this is a problem though, because this is like not... Well, we can fix this by like setting min size here. Let me just center that guy. Yeah, but that has more so to do with like that thing being off, not the other stuff. So if I do this, right, like if I go over, is it layout? Ever think of making a Graveyard Dead reference in the game? It could happen. I'd be down with that. Right, okay, so now that has size to it, but I have to like... Ah, man. I think it might be under there, but I'm not sure exactly what to do with that. Low % chance of it happening on dying. Just change the text. I do like that. That wouldn't be too hard to throw in. I thought you meant like in the dialogue somewhere. That could work too, though. Crap. Why is this thing? It's just like... This takes the space that it needs, but then it doesn't, the other thing doesn't do that. Or, like, it doesn't embody the size of the thing. Okay, I gotta go back to the player UI, because this shit... Oh, man. Okay, inventory, right? No, wait, this doesn't have... Oh, no, the menu would be better to look at, actually. Final Fantasy music for you, I think. I think I have it opened. Let's see. Menu, not menu. It should be at like the root of... Yeah, title screen, there we go. Oh, no, I didn't have a container thing. I just kind of did it direct. Okay, that's good to know. So, screw the container. Just do this. I mean, I might need like a row for several buttons here, but then I can just define the spacing that I'm looking for. Too far. A little bit jank, but it'll do. Oh, well, I don't really need a spacer on the bottom, because it's just the end. This was an odd way to do this, chat. I realize this now. Wait, so it inherits the size. I guess maybe this could use a container or something? Oh wait, no, here, how about this? Boom. Actually, exactly all I needed to do. Nice, okay. Now we need a script for this scene. I guess we'll put it here. I don't know. Let's get that set up. Game UI is the perfect spot for this, I think. And we will call this script Game Over Screen UI. UI, Game Over Screen. Game Over Screen. Public void on return to title. Scene changer dot get instance dot direct scene changer dot title screen. Yeah. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. There is something I can call that initiates a return to title screen, and I don't know where it is. I hope that it's not just in the, like, UI logic. Title underscore screen. There we go. Okay, so we have this. We have this here and here. I think I should... Okay, number one, staging area. So that's in game state. I think I'm gonna just move that to the other place. So this has to do with our, like, change here, but scene changer should be, like... I don't know why I always hear this song on, like, every... I mean, this is rockin' tune. Turtle song. Fun-ass game. Okay, so... Instead I do, scene, man, what the fuck? Scene changer. Right. Oh, I already have this. Dang it. What the hell? Oh, wait, that's... Yeah. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it does do that. Dang it, that's annoying. Okay, so we can safely delete this now. Yeah, I feel like all this stuff should maybe just move over to the other file, the scene changer, but I don't know. I kind of just don't want to hunt all this stuff down. Okay, so we do this on return to title pressed. Yeah, I guess it's no harm done if I just move where that is, right? I don't know why that's not erroring at me, but whatever. You know, if I did it this way, I might have done it for a particular reason, so I'm going to play it safe and assume that we need to keep it the way it was in the other spot. Oh, no slash required there. Okay, so now we're just going to reference scene changer. Screen doesn't really make sense there, never mind. Okay, so now we've gotten rid of that in there. We are still using that, I think I closed my game constants file. Dang it! No, I didn't, it was just right there. Yeah, like we still use this for this thing. And that even references that thing, so... Oh, it does that too. Dang it. Well, we could just make the private constant in the other file public over here. Well, anyway. Chat, I'm taking another break, but we're not done with this yet. We're gonna get this fully wired up. We're nearly there. I just need to do a couple more things, but BRB. Good, no breaks, must crunch. Alright. That lazy Goon guy. Whew. Yeah, we're basically done. I just gotta do this. I'm gonna finish up that drawing after this. You died, title screen. You know what? I turned around on this. We're gonna do 2 lines. I don't love that either. No, just because of the... It looks worse. Maybe just return to title. Yeah, no, that reads horribly. I don't know, man. I can't, I don't... whatever. This UI is horrible anyway. Let's just fucking let's deal with it. There we go. I made that script. You. And you. Alright. Bazinga. Now, back in our game over screen script. What? Oh. I was like, did I not just change that? So that'll basically do that, but I do want to do one other thing. Beaver. Override. This is to make things controller friendly. Export private button. Title screen button. Oh man, I should really put a load screen on this scene. Whatever, fuck it. We'll just do this for now. Put that there, and then if title screen button's not equal null, grab focus. How do I oh no, yeah, you call it on, yeah. Oh, that way it'll automatically highlight the button, so you can press like the confirm button, which is just whatever the bottom button is on the controller. And it should, in theory... Wait, I didn't wire up the button. Also, I need to... I missed 2 things here. One, I need to give the button as a parameter to this guy. There, done. How about I just call this title screen button? Oh. Alright. So that's wired up, but I also need to wire up the signal for pressed. So when this gets pressed, then we call back to our script and have it call on return to title. Boom. Boom. Done and done. I guess it also makes it like more keyboard. If you want, for some reason, wanted to play this game with only the keyboard. Though it is funny because you can kind of like screw yourself in the game right now, because if you ever like just click, like just if you have a mouse and you click on any of the menus, it'll defocus from all the buttons and then you can't control it with anything other than the mouse at that point. But at that point, you've proven you have a mouse, you can fucking use the mouse, so I'm not fixing that. Grrr. Alright, chat. I don't remember if I wired everything up properly or not, so we're gonna just fucking raw dog it. Kill me! Come on, kill me! Predator's a good-ass movie, chat. Well, you win some, you lose some, chat. God damn it. Wait, why did it... I'm sorry, what? Why did it reload that scene? Okay, if I load just this scene, though, what does it look like? Okay, so it's still messed up. That is actually a good thing, chat. I think I just need to do this. But then the UI is gonna be fucked up, which annoys me, but that's okay. Just need to find a way to, like, get that out of the viewport. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So that's all well and good, but the fucking game, like, went back to the other scene. What was that? Okay, so that takes us back here. Oh. Okay, this is an error that just happens every now and then. This is probably something I should... What does this? Because I feel like there just needs to be a thing where it's just like, okay, well, don't mess with that. Oh, right, we just do like a blind search in every room because of the singleton. It tries to grab, like, map data from, like, whatever the room is. Well, okay, hold on. Let me go back to the title screen scene and see how that handles that, because... Oh, you know what? I think there's, like, a special list of, like, scenes where it's like, okay, well, in this case... I know there's no, Oh, wait, damn it. Oh. Yeah, I did that in a very stupid way, I guess. So I could literally just name this, like, my root node title screen, but, let's do this. So, just like that one. Wait. Oh, no. I need to do, Well, see, in here I'm doing, like, string concatenation, so I guess it's either or. That's, very odd. What you think? Oh, need another slash there. That was sort of a conscious decision, but I kind of like it not there, you know? I think I know this song. I don't know this song. This is Energy Breaker. That's good. Now go back here where we use the title screen thing. And just add literally the same thing again, but for the other one, I guess. Game over screen. I'm surprised I don't have a thing in here for the like temp screen or whatever, the like staging area scene. Alright, so this should now work. Or well, I mean, wait, nothing was broken, it just popped us back to the other place. Alright, no more console errors from my side of the code. That's good. Oh yeah, we don't have the fade out yet. We'll get that done too. I just gotta... Let's get this working. So like this is almost working. The only problem is for some reason it like snaps back to the other scene. I'm gonna see if the debug output has any reason behind that. Like, I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. That's really weird. You know what? I can use console commands to be a little smarter here, chat. Let's frickin' do it, shall we? Alright, so I can initiate a save. Just make a save right here. Dude, that was one of the best... I should have done that so much earlier than I did. Like, that was one of the best decisions I've made with this game's design so far, adding the fucking console in. I added the console commands. I'll use the goddamn console commands if I want. So you died. Okay. Saw some more errors fired off. Yeah, that's strange. The hell happened? So player died. I might need to like look at this screen. Like I might need to move the window out of the way just to compare here. So the funny thing about my my big head mode thing is like I forgot to load my I can use load console command. Boom. Though also forcing it into weird states might be a bad idea when I'm trying to work through a bug. But whatever, it's fine. The player died. And we go to the dead screen. And then they snap back into the scene a couple seconds later. What the hell is that? The funny thing is, I'm even like alive and everything. Okay. I do think that I have like okay, I thought there was like a duplicate implementation in this class already. Like I already made this thing effectively where it's just like change the scene. So what the hell? What? Why is it? All right, I need to, okay, we need to have one more test run before I'm fully stumped here. Chat, I need to add our save system at some point, because like right now all there's like a fountain that you can like go in. Alright, I pressed the debug key there just to see what would happen. Okay, I need to watch the scene inspector once I load in here, so... It's weird the way everything just lagged for a second. Welcome to chat. No. No frame drops on this side. You know what? I'll take it. I don't know why my internet like craps out on the download, but not the upload. It's very strange. But I will take a stable upload and a janky download over the other way around. God knows I don't fucking play multiplayer games anymore, so... Upload wires are reinforced? Maybe. I will say, I have noticed that, like, my internet has gotten, like, worse over time by virtue of, like, so I have fiber, not to be all bougie. When I first moved in, I feel like a lot of my neighbors didn't have fiber. At least that seemed to be, like, what the guy that was installing it hinted at. Okay, so we died, so we should see this stuff change. It didn't change. Oh, that's part of it then. The fuck? But since then I have noticed that, like... Well, noticed. From discussion with my neighbors. Seems like some have gotten on board. I've also had, you know, a rotation of neighbors. Why in the fuck did this not change? Oh. No, wait, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, crap. Hold on, I gotta run it again. God damn it. I was looking at the wrong thing. I forgot there's like root, but then there's the other root. So I named everything root. So I'm an idiot. Gotta put fucking Guile's thing in it. Get the fuck out of here. You son of a bitch. Get the shit out of here. You know what? If you had just played this, you had me blindfolded and you just started playing this song, I would have assumed this is a Mega Man X song. Dude, I am actually fucking lagging. Oh, you guys can hear it because you can hear the video I'm playing lag. We should download those in case we have like weird interference. All right, load our save again. Hopefully, I hope I haven't missed anyone's chats, but I don't think I would have. Download wires have been chewed out by Halo 3 rats. Nice. The burnt corpses of the rats are what are reinforcing the upload wire. We'll ignore for a fact that like fiber optics have like fucking insanely thin tube, a series of reflecting mirrors or some shit. I did not pass my Cisco exam, chat. No, connecting to chat again. This is fucking madness. What's up with this? Yes. Game is running. Sorry, I got distracted doing other stuff. Alright. Other stuff meaning, like, what the fuck is going on with my, like, lagging, playing a YouTube video? Alright. Player died. Get ready. Remote. So we got this scene. It changed. But it changed back again. How? How the fuck did that happen? This is certainly an interesting bug. I think there is a thing I can listen for like when the scene changes, and I think I'm actually already doing that in one of my classes. Which one? I do not know. Let's see, hold on. Godot on scene change. Alright, I'm gonna just put like excessive everywhere do I... Oh my god, I do this in a lot of places. No. Okay, demo end screen we don't need to worry about. Pause screen UI. Oh, right, if you press the... Yeah. How come that works just fine, but like... Is there something left over in this scene that, like, is redirecting stuff? Like, ah, shit, the camera has a script on it. Ah, no. No, that's why. Oh my god, dude. I'm a fool, chat. I've outplayed myself in every way, shape, and form. I should have copied, dude, if I had copied that from like a scene that was just like an actual like level that the player can inhabit, this would not have happened. It's because I copied it from a loading screen And like there's the script on the camera to like move to the next scene after a little while. Now this is Mega Man X music, and you cannot. Well, I mean it's Mega Man X2 music. Let me look. Boom! Magna Centipede. I dropped my Magna Centipede OST. There's died. Now we wait a couple seconds. Nothing's gonna happen. You know what? Just to be cocky, chat, I'm gonna do this. Picking up my controller. I'm gonna press this, so we haven't changed, that's good. Press this button, boom, back at the title screen. I can even reload and die again in the same spot. This time on my controller. We got these enemies kind of do their own thing. Yeah, see how the D in that died is distorted? That's because of that bug that we have. Okay, am I doing this like null reference? The heck? Goon dog. Okay. This is insane. What is this set to? Force game over UI. Oh, it's because this logic's running. Yeah, we just like don't need to do this anymore. Okay, nothing else calls this. I'm assuming nothing else calls this either. Oh, shoot. Aw, man. Well, in that case... Dude, oh my god, the fucking horde mode code is still in the goddamn game. Horde mode's like an update I made to the original Goon's House of Doom, like, after the fact, and it's not even, like... This is like an extra game mode. Explain this. D314 made it, actually. It's unironically... I don't know why it would be ironic. But yeah. That's an emote now. Pardon my burps. It's also a pretty rockin' tune. I was from Maximum Carnage, the one good LJN game. So they say. I've never actually played it myself. I don't know, like beat 'em up, so I probably wouldn't enjoy it. Okay, so if we do the force game over UI, you know what? No, fuck. I'm not even gonna. No planning ahead. Just get this out of here. Enable game over UI. Can't imagine that Horde Mode Manager is even remotely anywhere still, yeah, relevant. Yeah, get this shit out of here. Get this shit out of here. Chat, deleted code equals debugged code. Alright. Boom. Also, we've shrunk our file overall tonight. Look at that. This is only 414 lines long now. That sounds like, you know what? Not what I was expecting to see. Uniracers, high-speed, two-player competition. It's SNES exclusive game. I thought that was like a Power Rangers game. That was going to be my prediction, but I was so wrong. Yeah, I don't think I do need this logic. Especially not like deleting the instance of this singleton thing. That's scary. I feel like I shouldn't be doing that, even if it isn't like the ready method or something. I don't know. Alright, so we're not calling all that crap now, which is good. What? Why did it pull me back into Visual Studio? I was just collapsing the, null pointer. Okay, yeah, that's related to the UI again. That's that random thing that keeps happening every now and again. Also game over UI related. Oh, that's the same thing looped twice because I died twice. Okay, yeah. Cool. So that's all good now. Now we actually want to make the screen start fading out. So we need to go back to the player. We're going to add a new, yet another UI element under the player. Oof. So I think the best way to do this is you have it set up as a Node 3D root. And this honestly should probably be on top of everything, so I'm going to put it at the bottom. Which will confuse me later, but oh well. Pick up the full screen, and honestly all I need to do is color rect, and then we just set a modulator on it. And I forget if I need it to be white or black. No, white is full. Yeah, it needs to be 0, 0, whatever. Yeah. Man, I lost my mind tonight. Yeah, 0, 0, 0, and RGB is black. Wow, chat. Transform. Not transform. Yeah, no. Anchor, full rect. Boom. But also, on top of all that, its alpha is set to 0. Yeah, that other background is nothing. That will still block everything, which is why we need to hide the UI. Then we should still be able to click on stuff, I'm pretty sure. Let me check. And then we'll wire up having that fade in. Oh wait, no, you know what? We can have it just be red and then we just modulate the alpha on it. Shoot. But does it need to be at 0 alpha to... Oh man, I don't know which way to do it. Because like modulate works off of the existing like stats of it, so it might need to be 1, and then like modulate it to like 0.1 or something as the init, or like whatever the progress is to how far we are into our, like what percentage of the time to wait we're at currently, you know. Which is just max minus remaining amount over max. New game. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what screen I'm on. Inventory. Well, I can't click on stuff in the inventory. This menu. Okay, I can click on stuff. We're good. One day I will have beautiful UIs, chat. Today is not that day, though. Alright, cool. So, back on this topic, though. I think we just go, like, full red. And then, like... Oh, it's invisible. Dang it. Make it visible. And then we just slowly ramp the alpha up, so it'll just get more and more red until it's full red. Cool. Yeah, and then it fades out. Okay, cool. We're there. God damn, chat. God damn. Alright. The other thing I want to check, though, is... I think I do need to set it to 1 as a default. And then, like, before I make the whole UI visible, then I modulate. So, like, modulate initially for, like, I mean, I guess 0. I might be thinking about this backwards, we'll see. But this does make sense, though, I think, in my head. Where are we at? So, back to game over screen. No, not you. Player. So, there's finish dying. Yeah, so handle death is here. We need to have a reference to that UI real quick, like. Private control. Death fade UI. Whoa. Wait, actually, no. I don't want to, I think we just have 2 variables for this, even though it's kind of annoying and extra, but whatever. Death fade rect. Death fade BG. Whatever. Don't know why I did that. Update. Death fade. And then set visible to true. Oh yeah, I forget. What'd you forget? Falling Down, yeah! We should watch that. I'm interested in that movie. I forget what the, I know we were talking about Slacker as, like, one of the next things to watch. I forget what the other thing was. Could do. Heck yeah. Falling Down Slacker. I'm down with that. I don't remember what the other thing I suggested was. I know it doesn't sound like whatever the heck we talked about yesterday. Like, I know it wasn't like super good to pair with Slacker. Falling Down might be a better pick. I'm not really sure. Oh, Exorcist 3. Yeah, no, we'll save Exorcist 3 for another time. It's a pretty fun Halloween time movie if you want to save it for a bit. We'll just put that on the back burner if we're ever, like, reaching for a movie. I've seen that movie a lot, so I don't know. I'm gonna berate you with movies that I've seen before. Yeah, no, unfortunately, I don't think I will be free any days during the week, but I'll let you know if that changes, but I'm pretty sure I'm pretty much booked. And I'm mostly streaming, but all the same. Okay, so that doesn't matter, but this thing up here should also call, yeah, update death fade. So make a private void, update death fade. Why did I do that? What the heck am I looking for? Death fade BG. Yeah, it doesn't like that. This is a color, right? Okay, yeah, so we have to set it to another color. So I think modulate-wise, we want, just, I think, don't modulate the color, so we want 0, 0, 0, but then alpha we want to be just what percentage. I hope the color constructor is like 0 to 1. There's probably one of them that's that like that. You just gotta get it floats. New color equals new color. Code. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, there you go. 1, 1, 1, and then new alpha. New alpha is equal to what the heck is that thing called? Death fade out timeout left minus death. All right, here we go, chat. Here's a little math equation for you. It doesn't like that because it's a double, but you know what? It can just flip and deal with it, you know? Alright. Cool. Alright, this in theory should work. We don't need to worry about like resetting the visibility of this thing that's going to override everything because ultimately it's going to be like, it's gonna change the scene at the end of all of it, so there's like no, no in between there, you know? I don't know why I didn't just use my save file, chat. Let's see it work. Show me some beautiful working code, chat. No, I didn't set the variables that I set. I realized that as that was happening. Okay, you there. Player. Death Fade UI is you. Death Fade BG is you. Alright, let's see how we did now. Took a minute. Surely if I just load this random save file, things will work, right, chat? Should prank our friends. With what? Okay, yeah, I did it backwards, chat. Well, heck, hold on. Clash in the college and acting like it's the best movie ever, all hyped during it. There's a mild problem with that. I have shown Clash in the College to several of my friends, actually. But I should do that to somebody. Surely there's someone in my friend group that hasn't seen it yet. I should also just like be really pretentious about it and be like, this movie really says something. And they're just like, what the fuck? Making them watch Class in the College and act. Oh, wait, remember it. Do it to Int. Hell yeah, true. Int has not seen that. But if he's still around, the ruse is already up. So, unfortunately, you've played your hand. Prank one of my friends. Also true. I'm in for it here. Okay, but what if I want to just... Oh, I can just set the color. Look at that. Alright, we don't even need to modulate. We can just set the color because it's a BG rect. Alright. Also, I was about to go in and like look at the... Like if I modulate the color manually, because I could do that, right? Like if I go do this. So we have this, and if I go to the color rect, there's a modulate somewhere down here, I'm pretty sure. Maybe not, actually. What the heck? Alright, well then never mind. Regardless, I figured it out anyway, so... Possum would join too. She'd be in for that, I think. I think she thought that was pretty funny with the... So, I kind of had like a movie night in person with some people, and that's, how I exposed both Possum and several other people to that movie. Get more red! Get more red, damn you! Oh wait, I'm not dead. That's why. Now I'm dead. No, it's still not working. Why not? This is when I learned that I like set something to false instead of true or something. Death fade. Oh, I did the wrong one. Dang it. That would do it. It's funny. It'd be funny if I had that right with the modulate already, but it doesn't really matter. When it comes down to BG Rect, just editing the color. No, wait, no, it's gonna turn white. Damn it. Hold on. I don't know where this is, but I know there we go. I know I typed 111. We'll just leave that hard-coded for now. If we do want to change that to a different color later, I can, but... Please, work. Hey! Well, chat, it took me 4 hours and 20 minutes. Nice. But we got it done. We do now have a game over screen that is functional. I guess it took us like 4 hours, so I spent half an hour drawing a John Waters drawing. Speaking of which, let's get back to that, shall we, chat? We're not done with stream yet, but that's the end of our dev time here. Yeah. All right, you caught me there. The first 40 minutes were John Waters oriented. Let's finish that drawing though, shall we? I got a good feeling about GIMP not blowing up on me here and ruining the rest of the stream. Regardless, we got what we needed done. I'll commit and push that later, but yeah. We now actually have a flow of game over. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna work on next. You know what? No, hold on. Let's close this out properly, chat. The fuck? All right, there we go. Sorry, my browser's being weird. I'm gonna move this to finished. Boom. I should probably have some comments on there, and I will afterwards, but I'm not typing that up on stream. Who the fuck wants to watch me, like, update my fucking Kanban board? Alright. GG's on game develop... GG's. Whatever. We did it, chat. We did it. Let us finish our masterful drawing. You know what? No, I'm not gonna end the recording. What the fuck am I doing? Let me just stream the rest of this. I do? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's close Godot, because I'm like low-key worried that's part of why GIMP broke. But not that I'm saying like it broke GIMP, but you know, it's certainly something else that was currently running when it blew up, so you know. Also, give me 1 second, I gotta load the file here, so I'm just hiding. Oh, never mind, there was literally nothing in my file history. Anyway. Whoa, it reset a lot of stuff. Such as the giant brush. Hooray, stuff's working like it should again. So this is what we've drawn so far. For those that weren't here literally 4 hours ago. And we wanted to drive home the point that this is in fact the John Waters over here. Taking a good old bite out of a chicken. By drawing a trailer as well as a pink flamingo. Okay, I think the eraser just does function strangely. But at the same time, I feel like, oh, it's because we're on the background layer and it doesn't have an alpha channel behind it. Okay, chat. Admittedly, I screwed up a little bit here. However, nothing, I don't know. I've been caught. It did absolutely break on us shortly thereafter, though, but apparently the erasing thing was actually kind of correct. We've already got, like, a good curve for a truck wheel here. That's good. Nothing fancy here, though. Big ol' tires with totally a normal shape. Ignore that, chat. I might just paint that like full black so that these are appropriate tire sizes, chat. You can believe it, I was trying to make them big. This hubcap's about to be fucked up. Kirby music! Yippee! This is from Kirby 3. To be fair, there's only like 3 Kirby games on the SNES, so like you could probably guess and get it. Damn it, I didn't. You got Superstar, yeah, this is from Kirby's 3, I confirmed. And then Dream Course, and that's it, so, you know. Not a particularly long list of things to guess from. Oh yeah, chat. I found a blurb sound redemption thing for Kuno. However, didn't even need to create it, shockingly. However, I need to update my list of things, because right now I have too many sounds and I can't add another one. My homies hate Kuno. Fuck does Kuno care? Kuno doesn't fucking care. My favorite Kuno line is probably, "This shit ain't nothing to Kuno." Like, he says it like fucking Dracula flow, and it makes me giggle every time. What One day I'll use empathy on him. The dream. The dream. That's the cope, I guess, is what I was trying to say. Very realistic looking car, I know. Can I make a goddamn door handle? Alright, there we go. Good enough. Hope someone sends this to John Waters as fan art. I think you just self-reported if that's that ever happens. Just saying. And last but not least, chat. Don't, like, flamingos usually have, like, a leg out when you have, like, a lawn yard flamingo, right? So don't really know how a flamingo looks like, ceramic or otherwise. Kind of like a bird, right? Just, you know. I'm just gonna try a duck. Fuck it. But is this also going to be entirely pink? Oh, you know what? I never looked at a photo of John Waters after I finished drawing him. Both are birds? True. You are correct. Alright. There you go. You know what? Just so we're not in the void, we'll do a little bit of this. I don't know if I want to use the same gray. I forgot that he didn't have eyes. Let's give him some eyes, shall we? Let me just turn the background off. And teeth while we're at it, too. Dang it! Since I already got the teeth, I gotta go in one by one now. Oh, also, I guess the chicken doesn't have... Yep, that makes sense, but also, damn it. It's not like the drawing is going to change all that much from here on out, but, Ah, that's why. It's because the area does not have anything. Now I can fill it. Boom. Alright, back to the background. Where else am I using that gray? I don't even know. Also, the first part of this drawing did not make it to the, the VOD here. Please pardon my, complete lack of artistic professionalism. I could just draw a line across this. No, I can't. I forgot the trailer is part of the background. It's a bad way to draw a frickin' horizon, chat. It's a gloomy but bluish sky. It's just like Baltimore. Yeah. My masterpiece is complete, chat. Oops. By complete, I mean it needs a couple more random dashes of stuff here. Alright. Let's take a look at the overall picture now. Perfection. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, the aristocrats. No, I don't know. that is my drawing. Starlight, I will post that in your Discord in a moment here. But yeah, it's 1 AM, chat. I'm gonna go to bed. So y'all have a goon night. I'll be back tomorrow at 8 PM Eastern. We will be playing Overblood 2. Slight change of plans. The next game we were supposed to play in our like indie game marathon is Conscript, which I will be playing. But since I'm like on a weird schedule this week, we're just gonna keep playing the PS1 game that we were playing on Friday. Plus, it's also a wacky game and seems really cool, so hopefully we can finish it. If we can't, no big deal, but either way, I feel like playing that more than the other things. So, till then, y'all take care. See you later. Peace.